Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 451. Technical answer for crypto, Bitcoin over 30,000. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links in the description. Shows a link to every article that we cover here, whenever we cover articles. But also the link to our Twitter, where you can also engage with me in case you cannot engage with me on Discord for some reason. So I try to make myself as available as I can to y'all. Anyways, thank y'all for being here. Andrew, hey, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let me get a small piece of paper here so I can start writing the requests. Right on, dude. Bitcoin 30K, right? Wild, ain't it? I was like asleep, dude. I wanted to get in at 30K, and I was like passed out. I didn't even hear my alerts when Bitcoin hit 30K. Like, I wanted to get really tired yesterday. Thank y'all for being here. Thank you for joining me. For us on stream, let's see what can we do today. Let's go over here and look at market cap. What is happening with market cap, dude? Andrew, up with the request. So for now, oh, like your real home run right there. Human GRT, sure, man. I'm interested to see Human GRT. I'm interested to see how they're doing because a lot of faults pumped today because of Bitcoin, right? A lot of coins went up and they had good gains. So I'm really interested to see how those they're doing, Andrew. Anyways, what's going on here, right? We don't have any kind of bearish divergence. We established that yesterday. Look at this nice pump that we got. 7.7%, $59 billion just came running in. We're hitting $831.41 billion right now. Dug it too. Yeah, no, Dug it pumped a lot, dude. Look at Doggy. At one point, it was up 150%. Yeah, it pushed back down. Last time I looked at it, it was over 70% still. But still, man, 70% gains in a day. It's awesome, right? Where are we at for all market cap? Look at that, man. Market cap breaking its all-time high. Ain't that crazy, man? We'll go with a line here. I'll zoom in here, see where we were at, so I can get a good point here. I want to see what the numbers here. 761 seems to be the target there. So let's get there. 761. That should be close enough. Yep. When did we break it, man? I haven't really looked at market cap all time. We probably broke it yesterday. Yeah, yesterday, right? Look, we managed to get above it yesterday. Getting above it today, above the 1618. It's still moving up. So today, just 6.83%. That's very nice. Remember how I told you there's no Bitcoin above 30K? Or it's harder for Bitcoin to get above 30K if we're not getting above the 1618. That's 770 billion. That's what we said yesterday. And look at what happened today, man. We got above that area. with a lot of strength, right? And of course, Bitcoin just like burst through 30K like it was butter. So it's nice, man, right? The other way that we could have happened is like, people moved money out of vaults into Bitcoin, and that could have risen the price, but that was about it. Where's Bitcoin dominance at? 72.75. Even though it pumped a lot, it didn't gain that much. 1.68%. Today gaining 0.28 at 72.75% of market cap. Bitcoin dominance, where is it? It got stuck at 29,385 right now. We're actually soaring above the dominance level. Right? We're at $32,590, man. $32,590.34. We're still pumping. We're still pumping. We're still doing it, and we're doing it right. What was this from? The daily, right? We're looking for some kind of bearish divergence. Obviously, we kind of pumped a lot higher, and we just got rid of it, right? And look, it went higher here, went much higher here, so we no longer have it, right? It just like got deleted, right? And look at this, man. We're also on the RSI. I checked this earlier. 84.06, and here we're at like 87, right? So obviously, we're also coming higher. So Bitcoin got rid of all bearish divergence, right? It could still run. It could go up. That's it, dude. It has green light. There's no bearish divergence to hold it back. I checked on other time frames earlier. I was like glued to the screen for a long time, dude. Ever since I woke up. Look at this, right? Like I told you, we're still on this uptrend, right? With this, we'll just have to like keep on pushing higher and higher, right? We're still going exponential. Oh my God, there's no end in sight to when this will end. I'm happy. Remember we said maybe 58K could be a target, 55, 58K. If this to repeat what it did way back on 2017. Could 33K be a double top? Yeah, we'll check it out, man. On the daily, I doubt it. Because, it will just be hitting again this area. It could become a resistance for sure. So, 33,310 could be a potential resistance. I did set up an alert here to exit Bitcoin, and I did. I exited on the way down. I bought back in on the way up, so it was a very nice play. I know Jake shorted, and then he went long again, and he did very good with that. I don't like shorting. For me, it was just an exit point, right? And then I bought back in somewhere lower, maybe around the 30K area, 30 change. I can't remember right now, but it pumped back up, and it was nice. So it was a very nice move I played today. Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour, right? On the 4-hour, look at that. We went higher, right? We're coming higher, right? Look at that. Boom. So nothing there. And also nothing here. Not even from way back here, right? Higher. So it's good. It doesn't have anything bearish, right? Short term. Maybe the 1 hour. Yeah, I'll check it out. We're bought at 75.68. Again, Bitcoin could be taking a breather before I actually keep on running. We're at 33K. Or 26,600 right now. 32,600, yeah. $32,600, right? I shorted and was up a lot, but didn't take profits, and then you lost a trade. Yeah. Yeah, I added more Bitcoin earlier today. It wasn't around 30K. I got in around 31 and change. And that's why I had an exit like here, right? Or here. So I could exit with some cash still in hand. It wasn't a huge profit that I took on what I invested today. And I wrote it down. Then I got back in on the way up again. And it looked like it was gonna retrace a little bit more. And it's been doing good. Let's go to the 1 hour, man. Right on. Look at that. Right, higher, more positive, higher on the RSI. Right, obviously resistance because we just traced it. But look at this. Right, higher, positive, high on the RSI to a higher point. Yesterday, we had this. All we had was this hidden bullish, and I told you guys like we could run on hidden bullish, and I even said, look, we haven't created any strong bullish. It's just hidden. Well, here we created strong, but like hidden bullish divergence. And hidden bullish divergence, I told you, look, hidden bullish divergence. It's what's getting us up, and it got us up once more. It could be a double top, maybe. Maybe if we hit it, it could be a double top, right? Before I actually move down again. We're taking a bounce. It's fine right now. Again, not super worried. We bounced at the 20, right? And we managed to hold it there. But we did go to a low of 30K here. 38, and this was 29,999 because I got in here on the way up. I was able to play this and getting around 30K. So I got a better in. So I took some profit, very small profit here. I think I just covered exchange fees basically. And here I was able to get in, and now I'm doing much better on my position. So that's very good. On that note, we're bought at 62.83. And obviously there's nothing, right? Higher, positive, high, there, such a hard point. Nothing bearish either, because we haven't created negative momentum, right? So low, high, right? Negative, positive, low, higher point on the other side, right? So it's all good right now. So again, Bitcoin performing extremely well. I'm happy with Bitcoin. You know who else is performing extremely well? Ethereum. Let's go check it out. Today is Saturday, right? Yeah. Look at Ethereum. We have the bearish divergence. We still have it to there. We just have it to here now, right? I'll just double check here. 70, 70, 40, 70, 57, 70, 58. So slightly more here, right? And then here on the other side, just very, very short term from here. And with that, we're getting the price action to the upside, right? And you know, we managed to get above this area here. It's 164.78, and then we're good, right? We're trying to aim for that $813 area. So it's fine. Ethereum is really good, man. I like the way it's performing. It took nice gains yesterday, 6.07. I mean, not as nice as Bitcoin, but nice nonetheless, right? And overbought right now at 70.58. Let's go to the 4-hour. The 4-hour, look, we had this bullishness, right? We were live here, right? These candles. We had this bullishness. We talked about it, right? Hidden bullish, right against the MACD and the RSI, and we just hopped with that, right? We're at near resistance. You know, we had the 20 to look forward to as well. Look, resisted here, resisted at the 20. Then the next candle, along with Bitcoin, pumped up, right? It pumped. Now, what are we doing, man? We do have bearish divergence from one island to the next. Now, this, I would usually just track there. But just so we can keep on track as to what's going on. You can see this, right? Right, so high, higher, positive, less positive. High on the RSI to a lower point as well, right? So strong bearish divergence. Potential for action to the downside. We already moved down. I haven't created negative momentum yet. And we just got a cross here of the MACD over the signal line, right? So it could be that we keep on making more positive momentum. David, what's up, dude? Thanks for being here. How's it going, man? I haven't seen you in a long time. I hope you're well, man. Boomer, what's up, man? Let's play something else here because Spotify ads want to come in. And we're raining my parade, but we're going to say no way, dude. Right, so Bitcoin. Ethereum, right? Bearish divergence, that's fine. We already knew we were going to pump yesterday. A lot of crypto had that bullishness. Look, even here, right? We were live here. It's like yesterday at 7 p.m. we were live here. We're hitting the 20. We're facing as resistance. We knew we had strong bullish. We had already bullish back here also. It's just a matter of time, right? You know, it was a beautiful pump. Higher positive, high in there, set to a higher point. Just short-term bearish divergence against the RSI, right? Look at that from here to here. And from here to here, right? High to low. So with that action to the downside, we moved down, hitting that 20, taking a bounce. That's nice. Getting above that 764, sorry. And right now it's 776, so that's very, very good, man. Soka, what's up, man? Boomer, just trying to understand how the money flows through the different size caps, so he'll be listening. Trying to figure out how I should be leaving most of my positions to move all to mid caps now. Right, so you're trying to move your positions to mid cap projects, I guess, Boomer? Is that what you're saying? Yeah, dude, David, the fam's good, man. Everyone's good, man. Thanks for asking. I hope your fam's also good. Boomer, maybe some insight from someone here might help. Sure, Boomer. Can you be more specific? You want to move from large cap to mid cap projects? You believe it's going to get the next boom on action? First, I think Bitcoin needs to settle a little bit, right? Anyways, we're sitting neutral, 59.65, right? High, higher, positive, more positive. Everything's good here. Losing that positive momentum slightly, so it might get across here. Oh, the MACD under the signal line. It looks like we're just getting it also, by the way, but you know, still slightly, very slightly higher. 9.88 and 9.81, so almost there. Bitcoin, I forgot to mention something. We got this cross yesterday, right? As we were live, of the MACD over the RSI, and that was a good indicator. Like, usually you want to get this under the zero line, but we'll get it here, and you know, it just was a very, very nice small pump, right? Every time we got a cross on Bitcoin, look at that, right? Cross on Bitcoin, look at that, right? Cross here, it wasn't that big, but this one really, really did a number, right? Bitcoin 30K, it's good, man. Let's go check out XRP, your favorite loser so far. What is XRP doing, man? Because XRP is taking a massive beating. Right. If you believe that, large cap coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc., are going to stop growing right now for alt season, that's fine, dude. You're entitled. That idea, it's fair. I would say have a mix, right? You want. It's just like when you're buying stocks or something else. You want to be diversified. You don't want to be all in mining. You don't want to be all in oil. You don't want to be oil in something. You kind of want to be across different industries, right? That way, when something drops, you're not overexposed to a major drop, right? Because if Bitcoin decides to take a massive dump, probably it's going to be reflected harder on a lot of alts, right? So you just want to, like, I would say usually diversification is better. XRP, we had the bullish average. I told you I wasn't sure it was going to give us a big bump. We rejected yesterday and undid that. Oh no, XRP at 22.20 cents, our favorite coin. Everyone else is pumping, right? Everyone else is pumping except for XRP. XRP took a bad day yesterday. Sold at 32.32, and I'm glad I'm out of XRP. I put all my XRP money into Bitcoin. It's already giving me profits, so I'm happy with that, right? High, low. Oh, high. Again, bearish divergence. Action to downside. We knew that yesterday. All right, we're starting here. We're in this channel. I told you guys we had the bearish divergence. That's fine. We're just within this area. What was it? 24.69 to 22.605. Breaking below 20, breaking below that area. We even wicked this other resistance here at 21.07 cents. And there's a chance that if XRP cannot recover above 22.60, it could really take another drop. Steve, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Wow, a lot of people in tonight. Thank y'all for being here. You're amazing. Y'all are awesome. If you like what we do, hit that like that button. That's up. 4 hour, look at that, right? We had the hidden bullish. We did rally a little bit on the 1 hour, right? Rejected, that's fine. Move lower. Guess what we did? Keep on tracking, right? Go there. Go there. Hidden bullish. What do? Look for that price action. We even now have it here. Look at that. Boom, boom, right? So we went up. Hit the 20. Bearish enough. Drop again. So what do? We keep on tracking. That's the name of the game. Well, actually, here we can just forget about this one and go for the strong bullish. It still plays out, right? So boom, boom, right. Low, lower. Negative, less negative, right? And on the RSI, it's fine. We're going slightly lower. And on the RSI, we could definitely do that move, right? Go from here to here, then go low, lower still. Hidden bullish against the RSI and strong bullish against the MACD. And look at that. We took the pump, hit the 20, and rejected. We're trying to get another go at the 20, but not looking like we have a lot of strength here. Yeah, Boomer. I'll talk about RSR when I look at it, and I'll tell you why. I do believe it dropped a lot, right? Don't get me wrong. Percentage-wise, it dropped a lot, man. Right? It also dropped 10%. It just seemed a little bit better, like off, because, price value, it's so much cheaper. But anyways, that's it for XRP, guys. Neutral, 45.59. Let's go check out Litecoin. I was also looking at RSR, dude. I was really tempted to take a profit today. I could have taken profit. It was just gonna be like very little profit. It wouldn't even have covered exchange fees. So at some point in time I could have, but I missed that opportunity. I'll tell you when it was. But anyways, what are we doing with Litecoin on the daily? Let's go there first. Bearish divergence, move down slightly. We took that pump again. That's fine. Look at this, man. Higher. Surprise, surprise. What do we have here? Strong bearish divergence still in play, man. All right, so high, higher, high. Positive, less positive. And then high on the RSI, 68, 68.50, 68.44, slightly higher. So we're going to leave it there. But strong bearish divergence against the MACD for potential action to the downside. Almost recovering to whatever I'm using here at the 100%. So it would have been the high of June 2019, which is very, very good for Litecoin, right? $136.54. We passed RSR all-time high and rejected. I know. I'll talk about that in a second. Because I got in really high, dude, on RSR. So for me, it was, like the exit was almost there, but by the time I looked at it, The road was pulling back a little bit, so yeah, I'll tell you guys that in a second. High, higher, positive, less positive, right? So bearish divergence, right, off the bat. Easily identifiable because, you know, you can easily tell that we're coming up higher. And we are going much lower, man. Much, much lower. Look at that. But we're starting to develop this new island, right? It's just 4 candles. So you could still go on building. We can negate it and say, no way, Jose, and then, you know, pump higher still. But, you know, we had the bullish divergence, right? Taking a pop, rejected slightly. Felt a drop lower than the previous low, remember? How we said if that happens, we're bullish still. And we're bullish still. Look at that. Boom. Took that pump. Again, following Bitcoin. But now we're creating that strong bearish divergence. Sitting bought at 62.85 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, man. Bullish divergence. Look at this, right? Went higher. Higher and higher. So nothing bearish here. Right? Again, dumping with Bitcoin. Taking that same bounce and dropping slightly, right? It just looks like Bitcoin. Mini Bitcoin, let's say. Now, did we create something bullish still? I think so. I just got to zoom in a little bit more here to find out. I can't tell. Where did it open? 124.47. 124.38. Alright. Slightly higher. That's fine. We'll let it go for now. That's it for Litecoin. Let's go check out Binance. What is happening with the Binance? At $38.02, man. What? Yes. It's on sale. Not really. It's the all-time high, right? At some point in time, it wicked today. 40 change, right? 42.92. Previous all-time high for Binance was way back here at 43.15, so almost all-time high, right? So it's recovering very nicely. This is now at $38.26 right now. Didn't quite do what Bitcoin did, you know. You have long wicks to either side, bouncing at the 20, that's fine. High, higher, positive, positive, high on the other side, lower point. Bearish divergence was there. We moved down with it. Right now, trying to recover this area. And again, looking like sideways motion still. If we zoom out, or we zoom in into shorter time scales, you'll see, right? Look at this. Again, we did this yesterday, right? Most of the action is contained within this area, right? Maybe we can even drop it slightly lower and say most of the actions within this area, right? And we're still within that area, so, you know, it's fine. We had that hidden bullish, potential action to the upside. Take that nice pop right now, moving down slightly, you know. Nothing out of the ordinary with this project. Neutral at 55.09. Again, nothing else happening. High, low, positive, positive, high, lower on the other side. That's it. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. JK, crazy how similar Litecoin and Bitcoin are when you open one or the other within the same chart. Yeah, I know, bro, right? For reals. High, higher, positive. Sorry, negative, less negative. Sorry, negative, more negative. Low, lower on the other side, right? We had that bullish divergence in the short term. We had that strong bullish. So hidden bullish against the MACD on the other side, and then strong bullish just against the MACD. And look at that, man, right? We went up high, we dropped, failed to drop lower than the previous low, right? Continue on the bullishness. Take that pump, high, low. Do we have something here, man? Let's see. What is this, man? 111. 126. Right, this works. High, low. And then low to high, right? So hidden bearish. And that we move down. But again, holding on to the 20, just moving sideways. 37.98. Again, you know, Binance hasn't been that exciting. Again, most of the moves are more or less contained. Consolidating at this level, and that's fine for right now. We did get requests coming in, but before I do that, let's go check out Bitcoin again real quick. See where it's at. 26,000. 32,679. It's good. I like it. Someone tipped the other day. Who was it? Bob Mo tipped the other day on Bitcoin. That tip's doing amazing, right? All you guys that tipped on Bitcoin, all that money's still sitting there. The only money that I used and I moved somewhere else was so I could mint some NFTs that sold and did turn a very, very nice profit, right? That's the only good thing that I have, right? That some people bought an NFT and right now it's like worth a lot of dough. It's like $100 almost, I think, on RSR, which is really nice. Boomer saying, one thing for sure, my jobs become much easier using CryptoWatch by Kraken. It allows me to connect to all the major exchanges, have coins on, and trade and watch from one panel. Yeah, that's pretty sweet, man. I don't use Kraken. I should get an account with them. I can't remember why I didn't. I have a thing against the major exchanges, right? But anyways, let's go check out Yuma first. Sorry, Steve. I ended up queuing 88 towards the end. You know, like Andrew came in and like shut some requests off the bats. You know, I'm gonna tackle those first. Yuma. Yeah, I know, dude. I already queued it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coins. 88 is the 6th coin that we're gonna look at. You don't need an account with Kraken. Crypto what? .ch. Stop, 88. You gotta duke it out with Andrew, man. Go on the forums, fight to the death. John Smith, what's up, man? Unacceptable. I'm not sure, man. Andrew would probably disagree with you. Go fight him. Go fight him on the forums. I'll go fight him on the Discord. I'll see it from here. I'll watch. Boomer, it's free. You just normal platform like trading your chart. All right, that's nice. 1 XRP moon, dude. XRP inverse moon. XRP going down. 22 point some cents. I can't remember. Yuma was the first one. Sorry, man. I'm gonna keep on moving. I'll go back to XRP, John Smith, in a second. You bought more? Well, that's good, I guess. I'm not sure, man. I'm still waiting for it to like do something, right? But there's nothing for it right now. Yuma on the daily, taking a bounce, 7.69, right? Again, we've just been hitting that area, flirting with this area. We did go up here to 9.27, right? That's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative, low there, so the higher point, nothing there, high, low. That's all good here, right? When was the last time we looked at Yuma? I thought we looked at it sooner, but for some reason, do I have another Yuma open? No, I doubt it. Alright, there was that bearish divergence that went down. Again, finding that support at 7.46. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. Crypto Boomer, Grayscale increased the position on XRP too. You sold out to 75-ish by 3 million, I think. Yeah. A lot of people are going on Twitter and saying that, it's the final shakeout, that, you're not going to be able to buy it back. So long as there's XRP in the markets at 23 cents, you're still going to be able to buy, right? A lot of people are just saying that because they don't want people to keep on dropping the project or dumping the coin, right? For me, it was a clear decision, right? I was a little bit fed up with XRP. I knew where my exit was. It performed good on that pump to 76 cents. Afterwards, it just became crap, right? So, like, particularly the news tanked it. I'm not super happy with what's going on with it, but, I'm not against making money. So if I do believe it's going to go back in, I'll buy back. It's just right now, it's not a good time, I believe. Right? We need more clarity on the lawsuit. Right, so low, lower, native, more native, low, there's a lower point. Nothing here, right? Let's check it out here, dude. Higher, positive, more positive. High there, to a higher point. Nothing really bearish, nothing bullish right now on Yuma. I did take a nice pump. Right now, dropping 3.47%. John Smith saying lawsuit's only in America. Yeah, I know it's only in America. The rest of the world still can use it, but it didn't matter. It's bad news. If it gets declared a securities by the U.S., there's probably going to be a lot of pressure on other countries to review their evaluation of XRP, dude. You say you buy back now and down 7 cents if we can get another dip. Yeah, look, I'm not against buying at 7 cents. If it goes to 7 cents, I'll gladly add XRP. Right, I have no problem buying XRP at 7 cents. I have no problem buying XRP anywhere below 10 cents. Right now, I'm just waiting. Look, America is one of the economic front runners of the world, I would say. So if they declare XRP to be a security, I'm pretty sure there's going to be pressure on in Europe and Britain and everywhere else that have declared XRP not to be a security to like double check. And they'll see what happens there, right? I don't believe it's going to get declared a security, but we'll see once we get there. You might have the 1 hour, right? There was nothing on the 4. Low, same low, right? We can work with this one. That's fine. Oh no, it's going flat. Look at that. Look at this, man, right? We have strong, no strong, medium bullish divergence for action to the upside, taking that nice rally. Look, it's going higher, sir. There we go, right? Higher, higher, and then low, low, right? So, and then high to low, right? So strong bearish divergence. Fraction to the downside. And then, you know, the dark side came in and moved this down slightly. Hit up 20, tried to take a bounce, failed to go higher into previous high, and then dropping more. So low, high, negative, less negative, low on there to hard point. Nothing there yet. Neutral at 47.20. Last thing we have is bearish. Potential action to the downside. Little Ed. Yeah, US, XRP, blah, blah. But Binance coin is where on the charts. Binance is so big and is in America. I know. John Smith, look at the elections for instance. It's a couple of clowns in a car doing laps around the White House. First of all, I got to the president. I'm pretty sure they'll probably have something different to say about that. But anyways, Boomer, I'll buy a big bag of XRP at 7 cents and put it in my ledger for 5 years. Yeah, dude, that, like at 5 cents, it makes complete sense. I don't mind buying XRP at 10 cents, right? By the way, if you guys like what we do, hit that like that button. That's it's a great stream so far. I'm enjoying it. The chat's pumping, dude. Right on. So, yeah. I mean, there's nothing else happening. If we drop slightly lower, we're probably going to create more negative momentum. Then we might have some hidden bullish to try to get another rally happening here. Neutral at 49.18 on the other side, dude. That's Yuma. Then it was GRT. So let's go look at Girth. Look at it. It's China versus US for crypto dominance. Thoughts? China probably taking it, right? They have a lot of mining of Bitcoin. They haven't really declared a stance, but at least they're farther ahead with the Chinese yuan CBDC, right? And yeah. John Smith, by the way, happy 11th month. 11th month of what? What? What is 11th month, bro? I didn't get that. Anyways, what do we say? We're gonna look at GRT, Girth, and Boomer. How are you doing with your 1 inch? Is it getting you filled yet? ERT USD. Happy 1st month. Damn, dude, you guys are tripping me. I'm not sure I'm getting it. I'm not getting that reference. It's just going way over my head. I'm not sure what it is. So, if you're saying 1st month, then yeah, happy 1st month. So far, it's opening good for Bitcoin, right? Can't complain. It's pumping, man. It's pumping so hard. What? Someone wanted to tip? That's awesome. Thank you, Sensorismo. Yo, please add the troll coin tip bot. Yeah, I know, bro. I just been super lazy to add it, but thanks for asking, man. I have to check it out. Look, I already have it open here, right? Like, bot troll. I just never given myself the time to actually go do it. Sorry about that, bro, but thanks for wanting to tip. I really appreciate that. Takes 30 seconds. Right. No troubles. Yeah, dude, no worries. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. I'll figure out how to set it up maybe after the stream, right? Or maybe when we get a chance, either coins or something. Show me how to trade something. Love. You want to trade some hearts? That's cool. Right. What do you want to trade? That would be the key question, right? What do you want to trade? What market you want to get into? Stocks, crypto, small caps, large caps, gold, silver, mining, whatever, man. Right now, I'm looking at GRT. It was requested. I'm just doing a request right now. So if you get a request, let me know. Trade NTBC. It's about to blow a top of persistence. Right, we'll check it out, dude. Ivory. Sure, man. Let's write it down. I'm writing it down. GRT, so going lower, right? Strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside on the 1 hour. Let's go over here on the daily first and see what's going on. We don't have any data on the daily. Still coming lower. That's fine. Nothing to check against the MACD and the RSI. 4 hour, man, right? We had the bullish divergence. See that pump, created that bearish, right? It was slightly higher when we were looking at this last time. We were looking going there, right? Broke down and down the 4 hour, right? So low, lower, negative, more negative, low, and there, set lower point. Sold at 34.03, so nothing there. Let's go to 1 hour chart. It's making all-time lows, right? Or near all-time lows. Therefore, I don't have a lot of data to go with on this. But, you know, it's creating strong bullish. Might take a pump. Might be aiming for the 20 at 33.66 cents. Right now, 32.36 cents. No, last time, I can't remember when it was last time I looked at this. But last time I looked at this was probably on the first. It would seem to make sense. So yesterday, had the bearish divergence. We're probably around here when we were live, right? So we looked at this yesterday. We were below the 20. We didn't have anything bullish. Hit the 20 again, reject, and drop lower, right? I told you, when we hit the 20 and reject, very likely we want to look for a lower RSI value. Now, let me look at something with volume. That's fine. John Smith, bruv, September is 7th. September, October, November, December. They lie about everything. No, they're not. Actually, during Roman times, the calendar did have 10 months, and then there were 3 months of winter that they didn't account for. And it started with March, when it was when they get preparations for war, or 2 months of nothingness. And then it was in March that they started preparations for war. That's why it's called March, because it's in, you know, they're doing reverence to Mars. That's it. And then April was when they started the sowing season, right? And then you have the rest of the months, May, then June for Juno, and then July for Julius, right? The house of Julius Caesar, July. And then you have August for the Augustus, and then after that you go, yeah, into September, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? For, yeah. I know. Janus, yeah, I know how that works. Thanks, John Smith. But yeah, I am aware of that, man. I wasn't sure why you were telling me 11 month. But yeah, I got it now. Now that you made that reference, it made it clear. So bought at 35.24, right, on GRT. That's it, dude. Not a lot, Andrew, dude, man. Not really loving the project because he doesn't have a lot of history, but you know, could be at pump to 20, could be good enough, right? It could be a couple percent to the upside, at least 4%. For GRT, man. Well, like, yeah, you caught me off guard with that, man. But anyways, Ethereum to Bitcoin, if you wouldn't mind. Sure, little Ed, I can do that. Just whenever I ATH, BTC, right? Right on. So on Q, DVT, RSR, Doggy, ADA, and TVC, and then Ethereum to Bitcoin, right? That is the Q, man. Then Sensorismo saying, especially those with fundamental drivers such as censorship resistant social media. Yeah, that would be like Float, right? They're doing that with censorship resistance Twitter, I guess. Right, so let's go check out DBT real quick, see where it's at. DBT, did it pump or did it stay? At 1.7 sats. So not looking too hot again on the daily. Let's get the MACD. And the RSI out here. Oh, fucking man, it's just there. Should be good enough for now. Oh, lower negative, more negative, low on the RSI. Again, oversold. So nothing bullish right now, right? Nothing bearish either. So we'll go to the 4 hour. Low, lower, higher. So we had some bearish divergence here hidden way back here. We knew about that. We already talked about that way back when, right? So anyways, that's fine. Low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, so some strong bullish divergence starting to develop here for potential action to the upside. That is fine. From way back here, but that's fine. I'm skipping an island, so never mind that, right? So we from here, low, lower, negative, more negative, low on the other side to lower point. So nothing there, man. Let's go on the daily. For DVT, man, what is happening with DVT on the daily? Low, lower, negative, right or here. Negative about the same, and then low slightly higher on the other side, right? We already called this one for bullish divergence. We took that small pop, then, you know, we created that bearish divergence, hidden, high to low. Negative, more negative, and then low to high on the other side, right? So on that note, we have this bullish divergence there, a hidden bearish divergence, or a correction to the downside. Trying to make negative momentum, that's fine. Low, high, negative, less negative. So if this drops slightly more, we're very likely going to be creating some hidden bullish, and then we could be talking about a potential pump happening for this. Boomer, sorry, I was in the can. Did I hear something making fun of your 1 inch? Yeah, I did ask about your 1 inch. How's it doing, man? I know you love your 1 inch, so I was wondering if you already got failed on your 1 inch. Right, let's go check out RSR, because that did move today. It did move a lot, by the way, right? Damn it, RSR, pump more. I order you to pump more. Look, this was my entry rate way back when, at 31.29. We did get to this high. When I was looking at it, it was just around this area. It was like a 1%. So, you know, I didn't want to pay just exchange fees, and that's it, right? So I'm waiting for this to recover a little bit more. That's fine. It did get above 28. Right now, it's sitting where my exit should be at. 2.81. Right now, it's sitting at 2.10. So slightly lower, but that's fine. It did get to 3.1 and change, or 3.5 maybe, I can't remember. 3.29, yeah. You failed on your 1 inch after you got it, right? Yeah, high was 3.29, right? It's almost 3.3 cents. On that higher, positive, high, there's a higher point. Again, this one that we were looking for, right? It died. No longer have that bearish divergence. It's gone. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, it went so nice. It's taking a breather, right? It's starting to flag. Let's see if we can find support and go for a pump. That's more or less what I'm waiting for. Continuation. Bought at 65.15. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, right? Look, we had bearish divergence. We moved down slightly, but not a lot. I was expecting to hit a bounce at the 20. Then we just pumped up, so that's fine, right? So again, we faced resistance here. Briefly, got above that area. Beautifully came all the way to the 100% or old 100% area. And then moved down there, right? Slightly. And found support there at 2.72. And then we even wicked 2.6 right here. Yeah, low 2.59. So almost 2.6, right? So that's good enough. And we took a nice pop and, you know, flag sideways. But if you look at this drop, it's 14%, right? Boomer, you were saying it's nothing compared to Bitcoin. Bitcoin also dropped and recovered better, dude. This dropped 14.90%. Doesn't have anything on the 1 hour, so I'm not going to... Oh, it has some hidden bullish, by the way. Sorry, never mind that. Low, higher, low, right? Negative, more negative. Low on the other side to a higher point. So we still have this hidden bullish divergence for action to the upside, and that hidden bullish, again, could be catalyst for this to go higher, right? And like I said, look, this was a 14.9% drop. Look at Bitcoin, dude. Bitcoin dropped 7%. It dropped a lot more, Boomer, than Bitcoin. You said like it didn't perform as bad and it recovered with Bitcoin. Yeah, but percentage-wise, it dropped a lot. So if you were holding both of them and you had $1 or $100 in each of them, you would have lost $14 on RSR drop. On Bitcoin, you would have just lost $7, right? So, you know, it dropped a lot worse than Bitcoin did. I guess that kind of like covers that point from earlier on. Let's go check out Doggy. This was requested, so Dosh or Doggy Coin or however you want to call this. I have a couple dog projects open, so was it this one that we were looking at? Or was it this one that we were looking at? Oh my goodness, where is it in the 1 hour, man? I can't remember, because it just went insanely high, dude. Last time I looked at this chart, probably around October. Last time I looked at this chart was on December, so this one's a good one, right? Right on, dude. But look, it went insanely high, 88% by the time it closed. So yeah, at some point in time, it was like way up here, right? Like at 137%. So not bad. Still pumping today, 2.55. Sitting at 1.08 cents. So very, very nice for Doggy Coin. It did drop to 0.09. and moving up slightly. So, you know, higher, possible positive high on the RSI to a higher point. Completely overbought at 89.9 or 89.10, so big chance it could come down. The 4 hour, right, also coming higher, higher, and higher. So nothing there that we can look at. Starting to flag. Great stuff happening. Overbought at 78.82. The 1 hour also. Right, completely screwed. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the RSI to a lower point. Right, there's some bearish divergence there. That's a surprise. I wasn't expecting to see that. Well, I wasn't expecting to see that because it pumped like crazy, man. Look at this. 87, 68, 86. So high, low. Bearish divergence. Moving down. Hitting that 20, right? Finding support. Taking a pop. And then just consolidating sideways. So not a lot happening after that, right? Low, high. Did we make negative momentum? Yes, 7. Right, so we have some hidden bullish from way back here to here. Move from here to from very little negative to a little bit more negative, but again, they're almost neutral. We don't have it against RSI, right? So on that note, we should be looking for that action to the outside. We're getting it right now, starting to revert a little bit. And you know, Dog is just flying, dude. It's flagging, sorry. It impulses up so hard, it just needs to consolidate this area first before it actually moves again. A lot of people are saying, Dog, it's still going to go pumping off to 2 cents, $1 or something like that. You know, I do believe there's a lot of jokes going on around it. But, you know, it did take a massive pump today. On that note, let's go check out ADA for Steve. What's up, Steve? We're going to do ADA, man. I hope you're still here with us. Let's go to daily. Downslope consolidation, still within this area, right, at 1769 to 1715. Getting back into this level, not too bad, but you know, it would be better if we were much higher. Again, consolidating, right, flagging a little bit. Nothing else building besides the bearish divergence strong that we had back here. Neutral 55.91. Let's go to the 4 hour, man. In the 4 hour, we're looking for this kind of falling wedge pattern to form. Now, with whatever we just moved and wanting to consider that into this, as you can tell, it's very likely looking like a downsloping channel. Right, no longer have we got that falling wedge. I would just say, well, it's like a channel now. If you still want to go with the wedge idea, then you could say a fake breakout happened, right? And to the downside and the upside, and then, you know, we're back on that wedge. That's fine if you want to look at it that way. I'm going to switch it to a channel and believe that we're just moving down on the channel, right? That's still fine. It's still down sloping consolidation. Usually breaks to the upside. Neutral at 46.24. It didn't pump with Bitcoin, right? It didn't pump with Bitcoin. It just moved slightly higher. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here? Or sorry, the 4 hour. Did I finish the 4 hour? I can't remember. Right, lower, more negative, lower on there, so that's fine. Nothing there. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point, right? Everything here is good. A little lower, right? And then look, we still managed to come slightly lower here, right? We're looking for that bullish divergence. We did move farther down still, right? And then we still have that bullish divergence here. Don't have it against the RSI. Just let me double check. 32.12 and then 32.34. So yeah, on that, we're getting that small action to the upside. That's fine. To that pop, hit that upper part of the channel now, and then moving down. And again, you know, back on the channel below 20. Not looking too hot, right? Look at that consolidation. It's not looking too pretty right now. On the 1 hour chart, low. What is this at here? 675. 512, right? So negative, less negative, low on there, so the higher point. Nothing bullish right now. Again, just flagging down. That's it. That's it for ADA, bro. Not a lot of action, right? Someone requested NTBC. We're gonna check that out. Wasn't that what someone typed? Who typed NTBC, dude? Oh, it was Sansarismo, dude. Trade NTBC. But I'm not finding it, bro. Nope, it's not there, dude. Lots of bullshit. You don't like it, Steve? It's not doing a lot, dude. It's just moving down. Sansarismo, dude. I looked for whatever you requested. NTBC, I didn't find it, right? Now we have Ethereum to Bitcoin on account of Little Ed. Yo, yeah, let's check it out. ETH, BTC, Binance. There's more volumes. We already have it open. We just haven't looked at it in a long time. Is it this one? Yeah, there we go, man. Let's go on the daily. Have potential double bottom here somewhere. Probably here. Right? Let's go to the 4 hour. We might have to clear that. Yeah. Right there, right? Double bottom. And then, you know, started pumping that. So that's fine. Yeah, no worries, little lad. Thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated. Right on. So we had a double bottom, which is obviously playing beautifully to the upside. Do we have something bearish? Let's see. I don't have a lot on this chart. We're making a local high. No. Right. So let's get some fibs out here. Figure out where we're at. Get some ground. Let's go from here. Right high to low. We're recovering almost 100% of the way there at what is it? 145. 145 Ethereums per Bitcoin, right? Look at that. Beautiful resistance here at 76. Getting above it, trying to get that pump, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to higher point. Low, higher, low, negative, less, negative, low on the other side to lower point. Let's see, 49.65. 49.41, slightly lower, right? We could say that we're doing some kind of bullish divergence here on the daily, which will be okay, I guess, right? Some hidden bullish potential action to the upside. It's fine right there for Ethereum, right? So what are we looking at right now? Well, it doesn't have anything bearish. Still go on running. We do have something very short term here, though, which I'm just noticing as I zoomed out a little bit more. Let's see this one, 1053. 93, right? So high to low, and then what is this? 766, 752. So also here, some very slight, strong bearish divergence though. For action to the downside, we could move down on today. Target will be that 786 at 681 Ethereum per Bitcoin, and then if we drop more, we're probably looking at the 20 at 672, which would be good, right? That means you pay less Ethereum per Bitcoin. That would mean Ethereum is gaining on Bitcoin. Yeah. Something like that. Let's go check out the 4 hour, man. Higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Nothing here. Short term on the 4 hour, right? Look at this. Look at this one. Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside, right? So that means you will pay less Ethereum per Bitcoin, which again, yeah, would mean that Ethereum is strengthening against the Bitcoin, right? Right now, target would be the 20, 747 on the 4 hour, and then we're still sitting bought at 62.33. So again, not too bad, right? Here we had that strong bullish divergence. We don't quite have against the other side. That's fine. Took that pump. Created that bearish divergence. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low on there. It's a dark point. Nothing bullish right now. There's that bearishness, which if you want to get into Ethereum because it's going to gain against Bitcoin, that's fine. Bought at 62.88. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. What do we have here, man? Right. Snap it and snap, dude. So we have some strong bearish divergence. Actually, the downside, need the 20. Taking a pump again, looking like Bitcoin, right? Only. So it's like Bitcoin move almost. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, and there's the hard point. Nothing bullish right now. 4 hour could be indicating that we're going to drop more here. I will be expecting a retest of the 20 on the 1 hour chart at 766.35, but that'll be about it. I'm not going to go further back. I think I'm going to look at this here is from here to here, right? And from here to here, right? So some of that hidden bullish, and then do that pump. Right now, it's starting to move down. That's it. Neutral at 55.63 for Ethereum to Bitcoin. Let's go on the daily, see if we have some resistances way back when. Spotify ads, great stuff. Make it rain. By the way, if you guys like what we do, hit that like that button. That's this song is in honor of Boomer's 1 inch. It's called Tiny Giant. So there you go, Boomer. There's your 1 inch Tiny Giant. Well, let's keep on looking here for stuff, right? ATH. I'll just try to find some resistance here. Oh, there's some support around this area. Could seem legit, right? Kind of support it here, support it here, support. So let's see where we're at there. Where we're at right now, and see if they sort of make sense. 2 areas that we could be hitting and targeting. Right, beautiful. Look at this one. Kind of hold support there. It's 131, right? So we're floating within that 816 Ethereum per Bitcoin to 731 Ethereum per Bitcoin range. We can move lower. Look at this beautiful support here, also, right? Again, you know, I was tracing him way back. I wasn't looking in the short term, so it's fine. Yeah, it's looking like, you know, if we move down, we're gonna have support here at 731. And we'll have support at 786 at 681. And then at 669 also, right? So those will be targets on moves down from Ethereum to Bitcoin, right? On Ethereum trying to gain dominance on Bitcoin, I would say. Bitcoin at 32,516. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it! Bite its freaking head off. Real waiting for this to take off, bro. Remember how I said we're like move down slightly? That's what we're doing, right? Dropping slightly. Look, this could become a new area of consolidation, right? We just took that move up, took a massive drop. We said no way. Now we're consolidating this level. Wouldn't be weird if we started to consolidate here. Great stuff happening, right? About to get across, right? Negative momentum starting to build. I doubt that we're going to create some strong bullish or some hidden bullish right now. For that to happen, we really need to get a quick drop and say low, high, negative, more negative, right? And we need to make a lot more negative momentum. Let's see how that works. Little Ed says, I'm strongly bullish on Bitcoin, but scared of 2018 to repeat. Yeah, I think a lot of people are scared of 2018 to repeat, but we are not there yet. We talked about that, right? Let's come out here on the Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin. Oh, that's a 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. Let's go to a cleaner chart. Bring me a clean chart. There we go. There you go, Your Highness. Right, look at this, right? 1, 2, and then 3, right? And that's the move that I was comparing here. You're not going to be able to see it here very well. Let me get to another chart. Might be cleaner. Nope. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one. Right, look at this. 1, 2, and then pump, right? And we have 1, 2, and then pump. And I've been making this comparison for a while now, right? So, on that note, when you look at this, right, and I'm going to back to this chart right now. So I like it a little bit better for this. Alright, was it this one? Yep, it was this one. Yep, this one. Alright, so when we look at this and we go from here to here, we pumped about 473%, right? So if we look at that, and we look at where we're at right now with Bitcoin, right, and we're going to extrapolate that. So let me put this in log scale. Wow, looking really shitty in log scale when I do that. There we go, right? So it'll be this pump from here to here, right, that 455. That move would be the move from here to, you know, 455, more or less. Right, so 57,797, right? We already looked at that a while back. That's why I've been telling you, like 50, 58, 50,000, 58,000. Wouldn't be weird if we are to repeat what we did back on 2017, right? That move here is this move here, right? So if that is to be the case, look, we even had this small moves here down, right? It wouldn't be weird. We got small moves down here. So all this is fine. It's just looking like a repetition. So if that's the case, we're definitely looking for a hit of at least $57,700 or $58,000 if we're gonna repeat 2017, right? And then 2018, which means that we will probably crash to like $10,000 or something like that. Because that crash from 57,700. Let me just put a line here right now, just for good order's sake. If I go from here to where we dropped, right, 85% of the value. When we go from here and we go 85% of the value, right, we're looking around 10K, right? Not 8,000. Look, I just did it by eyesight and quick head math, and look, 8,000 for 100. That would be the drop, right, from way up here. If we're gonna do and repeat 2017, all right, could be fair assumption. Consider the way that Bitcoin's moving right now. Let's go here, get out of log scale. Let's put it back in automatic, and then assuming. And look at the gloriousness of the 30,000. Oh, it's raining upon you like small little fingers falling from the sky saying, oh no, 30,000. It's in the blood of bears that we're bathing. Some weird stuff like that. Anyways, some people still watching. Thank you for being here. It's saying, market cap finally passed, but 70% dominance. When do they cash out for Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash? Or for fiat? Yeah. That is true. Dominance is at 72.83. I don't like it. I want dominance to drop. I've been talking about that forever, man. Last time we were on a bull run, wait, this was here, right? This was December. And Bitcoin had hit 71. Then it just took a massive drop to 36, 35%. That would be very nice. Andrew, thanks for being here, man. See you later, man. Thanks for coming in. Hello, right? So if this drops right to 30%, that would be alt season kicking in. But we need Bitcoin to start dropping, so alt might start thriving. That would mean that Bitcoin could still go up or maybe stay steady at the 30K mark. That's still yet to be seen with my own eyes. There we go, Bitcoin, all-time highs. We're making history every day on Bitcoin. It's just getting it's getting tiring, I would say, to see history make itself every day. Right, every day is like an all-time high, either all-time high or new all-time high closing, right? Look, we had an all-time high, yes, but today we're all-time high closing, right? We're closing higher than yesterday's closing. So every day it's just like a freaking all-time high, dude. Nitro 361. Hello, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here. Yo. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. Can y'all believe PayPal still has my funds tied up? Isn't that weird? I just want them to clear that freaking tip so I can, like, you know, buy that stream deck that I wanted to get and everything else that was part of the stream goal. I need to get rid of that. I need to set up the new goal for January. I haven't done that, dude. I gotta put that on my tasks. Where did I leave the pen? I should put it on my ears or the hat. It's not there. So here it is, dude. Steve saying, laugh my ass off. I'm going to play this back in the middle of bear market, bro. What, are you serious? I'm going to stand in front of your house with an iPad, playing these on repeat, complaining about multiple days of all-time highs. I'm not complaining, dude. I'm not complaining. All I'm saying is that it's starting to get, like, you know, boring that it's all-time highs every day, you know? I wish we'd get, like, a nice period of consolidation. You know why I'm saying that, dude? Gotta have bear market first, boys. I know. The reason I'm saying that is because we're not consolidating for long term every level, man, and that's what's gonna bring a lot of pain, right? That we're just going exponential. We need to get better dips. We need to get better pullback, right? And that, you know, every day a new high, every day a new high, every day a new high, without any massive pullback or without any strong consolidation of level, is going to get us to we're going to get wrecked like we did back on 2017, right? 2018. I know it's different this time because there's institutions coming in. You well can sing Kumbaya after that's done, but at some point in time, the price of Bitcoin is going to have to come down slightly. It's better when we consolidate levels for a long period of time. Look, last real consolidation we had was back here. The 24,000. At least it was a couple days, like 6 days, right? Look at this. 7 days or 6 days of consolidation before it actually moved up. We just haven't consolidated anything strongly at this level. So all the resistances that we have way back here are like, up in the air. We haven't really tested any of them as supports. Right? So I'm just gauging where support could be. That doesn't really tell us that support's going to be there. Again, I don't want to sound like I'm complaining about all-time highs. It's just like if they don't come accompanied by some pullback, good consolidation, it's going to get us wrecked long term, right? Look at this, dude. Do you want this to repeat itself? Look at how quickly it went up, right? Look at how many pullbacks you got, right? All-time highs all the time, right? You had all-time highs or new all-time high closing, and that's the same history we're looking at. Here we got some pullback finally, right? Some flag pump, and then, we just broke down on bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence. But it's really, really not being repeated here. It is being repeated here, right? It's like we've seen the history, we're just not learning from it, right? Look, we consolidated this level briefly. That was fine. I wasn't worried with consolidation. I was happy that we were consolidating, right? But this is just really, I do believe we need to consolidate. That's it, man. That's why I'm saying I'm getting tired of all-time highs. Because we're not getting pullback. We're not consolidating. Whatever pullback we got in our day, on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour, that 10% drop, 7% drop on that 1 hour, it's fine, right? But it's not really good for the market overall, right? Band getting ready to pump. I'll check out Band in a second. Boomer, just let me write it down. Boomer doesn't even know the name of my band. A little later, what if a country put their GDP into the market to pump it and dump it? Possibility. I doubt it. GPD. I think you mean GDP, right? Gross domestic product. I think it's possible to do that, right? Put your GDP into the market and pump and dump it. Right. Nitro361. I'm a new trader and I understand nothing about what's happened yesterday, so I almost missed it. Yeah. No worries, Nitro. That's fine. Thank you for being here. That's skill, man. Just if you have any questions, let me know and we'll let you know. Go over them. Link on the description to our Discord, and also a link in the description to our to my Twitter in case you want to ask me stuff there, right? The market is the same as the U.S. stimulus bill. Yeah. Pull the ball up to 100 EMA on the 4 hour band. All right, let me go check out band, dude. Apparently, it's doing shite. So let's go check it out, dude. Band! There we go. 6.18. What are we doing, man? What are we doing on band, man? We're flagging. We took that nice impulse up. We're flagging on the 1 hour. Let's go on the daily. Right, nice move to the upside. Over the 20 on the daily. That's fine. High, low. Positive is positive. High, low point. Nothing bearish right now. Do we have something bullish? Low, lower, negative, or negative, low, right? Lower. No. Nothing bullish. Some hidden bullish here, maybe? Yeah, it looks like it. Very slight though, from here to here and from here to here. So, ooh, look at that! It comes with the mustache, blue mustache. Right. So let me get something sort here real quick. Sorted out. To have the Bollinger Bands show here on the 200. There we are. Oh snaps! Did I hide them? Yeah. Also, what I wanted to do. Show me the Bollinger Bands. Show me them Bollinger Bands. There we go. Though we're below the 200 moving average on the daily. Right? I don't dig that. Below the 200, we're in the bear territory, right? Now, the only good thing that it has going for it is that we got this cross with MACD going, this blue line, right? The MACD going over the signal line, the red line. And that could be a bullish indicator that if we manage to get above this 200 moving average, we could really be looking for a strong move to the upside. On the 4 hour, sure, man, I'll go to the 4 hour. Boomer, thanks for clarifying. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. To the 4 hour chart, Mobile. It's still rejecting the 200, bro. Right, that's a 200. We're hitting it and rejecting it. Oh no. And we have bearish divergence. Right, give me 1 second. Let's get the 20 there as well, just so you can see what this looks like. You entered at 544. Well, you got a good entry, dude. I believe you got a good entry. Look, it's starting to develop strong bearish divergence, right? Not in your chart? Yeah, it's weird, bro. Let me bring up another chart real quick. Where do I have my other chart? Here it is. I have different data here. One second. Huh, look at this. I'm looking at the super trend indicator here. It would have told you to buy Bitcoin on October the 12th, right, at 11,000. Would have followed this advice. Look at the massive trend of the upside would have gotten on the daily. And data pip. Now you said banned. Banned. It was to the dollar on Binance. So banned Tether Binance. Here we go. What was it calculated by trading? Yeah, calculated by trading. Sorry, never mind. That one. That's what we want. Yeah. A lot of ads. I know. It didn't bring it up. Why didn't it bring it up, dude? Are you looking at the calculated by TradingView chart or the Tether chart? It could be that we have different data on different charts, right? Right. So here it is above the 200 exponential, but it's below the 200 simple, right? Oh, you said EMA. That's fine. Yeah. So we're above the 200 exponential for sure, but below 200 simple. Right? That's where we're sandwiched right now. Right? That red line there is my exponential, and then this purple line up here, it's my simple. So yeah, we're above the exponential, below simple. This would have set to buy way up here, which is fine right now. You would still be in profit, but you know, it would have been scary with the strategy. Yeah, it's fine, dude. Let's go check it out here. So we're above. Yeah, you're right. We're above the 200 exponential. Right on. So you know, bearish divergence, potential action to the downside. Got the MACD over the signal line at 10 p.m. on the 31st. Right, that would have been where we would have been looking for that move up. Akshay Sunny. Akshay Sunny. What about Litecoin? Litecoin to Tether. Sure, man. What already did Litecoin? I'll do it again. No worries. And then Buff Arthur. How's it going, man? Evening. Do you think XRP is going to go 500 sats or below? Dude, good question. I'm not sure. We haven't looked at XRP on sats. I'm not even sure how many sats it's an XRP right now. I never look at XRP against Bitcoin. I just look at it against the dollar. But we'll look at it against Bitcoin on your request, guys. Thank you all for being here, being massive supporters of the channel with your awesome time and views. So thank you for being here. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. All right, so man, bearish divergence, right? Action to downside. We don't have it against the RSI. That's fine. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Oh, I forgot to anchor this. What kind of sorcery is this that does not want to be anchored? Oh, I left it on the 1 hour now. That's worst. come on, work with me, shots. Work with me. There we go. Why? Did I say the 4 hour, man? There we go. And I'll just send this to the 4 hour as well. That's fine. There we go. Cheerio. You're gone. Right, so high, higher, positive, more positive. High on their side. To a lower point, oh no, there's bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence, right? And part of the reason that we're starting to consolidate here. Forgot to anchor this. It has to be in the 1 hour. And then we'll be golden. We'll be golden. Low, high, negative. More negative, right? So see this? Hidden bullish. Coming into play for band and then really pulling it up again. That's fine. We also have it against the RSI. So there's action to the upside, right? We took that action to the upside, created strong bearish, starting to move down, but flagging. It's not looking too bad, right? Look, it's looking like an okay flag so far. So we'll just go with that. You can keep on developing. This is just short of a pattern right now, but let's say we could go with something like this maybe. As a pattern formation for now, but you know. We'll see how things keep on looking for band. Boomer. Could it be a good move up? Yeah, you know, it's consolidating. It could go for another leg up. Right? Boomer, send me that on the Discord, man. I'm gonna have to do them on the other chart that I show you. This one. All right, see what I can find with them. But yeah, send me that on the Discord for sure, man. I'll check it out. Bondly, dude. Yeah, just get some requests prior to that one though. But yeah. Let me do Litecoin again. How about that Litecoin? Litecoin, right? Bearish divergence. Actually, the downside. That's what we have for today on the daily. Could still go up. Yeah, if Bitcoin wants to go up a lot, it could bring a Litecoin up with it. Right now we have the bearish divergence. I'm not against the other side. Bought at 67.40. That's it here. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. High, higher, possibly less positive. High on the other side, lower point. Bearish divergence, starting to consolidate, down sloping, which is okay, right? We're pumping up. We're pulling up. Or we can say pull, and then we're starting to make this flag happening here, which is fine. It's down sloping consolidation. It looks okay right now. Again, bearish divergence. Similar to what band had, right? We also had this bullish divergence here that got us to go higher. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. The 1 hour we're clear, right? High, higher. Positive, more positive, high on the other side to hard point, so nothing bearish. The last thing we have here is this strong bullish divergence, right, that we called out yesterday. You know, we just ran up on that. That's fine. Again, short term, we're not doing much. We are finally doing something on this 1 hour candle. Great. We weren't here when we started the stream, but it is here now. Watch, you must. Yoda, like I speak. Young Padawan. LT back to the 120s. No, right now, dude. Right now, looking like we have some hidden bullish. We could take support there. We have the 20 at 134. On the 4 hour, the 20 moving average is at 129. And then on the daily, yeah, definitely at 117, right? But we're going to have some support here at around 120. That's where our 786 is at, right? 119.79. So that could also become a support for Litecoin. I do believe it's going to follow Bitcoin, right? So if you ask me, Bitcoin very likely will lead the tune for how the market's going to move. Boomer says, this is 6.1 million market cap, 1.5 circulating supply. Sure, man, we'll check it out. That's it for Litecoin again. Sorry if it was quick. We already did it at the beginning of the stream, a little more in detail. So, you know, when I cover something for the second time, unless there's a new development like we saw in the 1 hour, I usually just go through it much quicker, right? Because, you know, we already spent time on this. So XRP, someone requested XRP. I rarely look XRP against Bitcoin. We'll check it out. 681 sats. Are we going to go sub 500? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at this in a long, long time, dude. Right, coming lower. Right, some bullish divergence here being developed. Right, it could give some stalling happening against Bitcoin. All right, but again, the news for XRP are not the best, right? So can pump a little bit, right? Maybe for that 20. It's too high though at 1,553 sats. I'll probably get it around the 30 plus cent mark. Let's see. Yeah, 36 cent mark. Right, so anyways, that moving down, oversold at 23.81. Potential move up, yeah, there could be, right? Low, are we going lower here? Low, slightly lower, negative or less here. Right. So negative to positive. Look at this. Low and slightly lower low, right? On the 4-hour chart. And then we go from negative to positive. And low to high, right? So bullish divergence we have. Sold at 33.71. Let's go to 1 hour. It asks, my Yoda impression it was. Nah, I'm not sure, dude. Yeah, I was messing around with Master Yoda voice. Maybe, dude. That was probably my Yoda impression. I'm not sure. I am freaking tired, bro. We had a really rough night last night. Kids woke up a couple times. Yesterday, for some reason, my son woke up with nightmares. And, like, he came to, like, the bedroom, and he was fine. But all of a sudden, he turned around, faced the door, and, like, screamed so hard. Like, it really shook me out of the bed, dude. Like, it jumped out of the bed. I didn't know what he saw or what he... And then, like, you know, he was just, like, probably dreaming, right, when he was, like, staying up or something. It was, like, really weird. And then yesterday, my daughter was crying all night, so we haven't gotten any good night's sleeps for the last 2 days, so. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, it's fine, bro. No worries. It's, you know, it's when you have kids, you deal with all these shits, but hopefully they'll have a good, peaceful night's sleep tonight, and I can get some rest. XRP, does it still have a use real case outside of the U.S.? Yes. A lot of the world still uses it, right? Japan uses it. Mexico uses it. And a lot of countries are using it to send remittances still. It's just not as strong as with the U.S., right? Because a lot of the push was also on U.S. banks. Or for U.S. remittances with MoneyGram. You're the impression it was. Boomer. It's not the voice not coming out anymore. I need to watch again Star Wars, see if I can remake Yoda impression. Dude, this came over from the 4-hour. I forgot the anchor or the daily, even. Well, let's send all this nonsense back there. And yeah, dude, it's just been a hell of a night last night. Not fun. I'm not gonna call anything from way back here, so I'm just gonna focus here. Low. High, lower, high, positive, high, lower point. Nothing bearish, nothing bullish right now. 33.73, right? At least nothing here that I can look at. So we can look at alternatives to gauge what we could do, right? Let's also go here. This no by any means a local low, but if you wanted to favor this and say, oh, from high to low, where are we at? Considering that is 0. We should start a retrace. If this is to be the bottom, which I'm not sure, right? We haven't confirmed it. We need to hit and retrace to 1,279, right? For some kind of action there. And then we're going to have some resistance here. At around 155 and change. Whatever this closes here. So we'll do ATH there. There we go. Right, 156, right, we'll call it there. 1,564. So that would be resistance, potentially. 20 is below there, right? And, you know, we also have another one coming up at 236 fib. At 1,279. So we take the bounce, right, which doesn't look like, which we're starting to move down slightly also right now. That would be a target. Hey, 33K again? I'm not sure. Let's go check. Almost. We probably worked it. Oh, dude, we're approaching 33K. 33K, we're approach, man. Yes, it is going there, Andrew. Thank you for coming in and letting me know, because I wasn't looking at the charts. For Bitcoin, I was looking at something else. I need to keep hydrated now. What else do we have? Dude, yeah, Boomer, you want me to look at Bonify or something like that, right? Or Bondly or something like that. You find the weirdest coins, Boomer. 33, dude, we're at 33 again. 33,029. Is it the highest point we've made so far? Yes, it is. Come on, Bitcoin. Dude, if Bitcoin gets 35K, I want to, like, chug a beer or something. But it has to be live and it has to be tonight. Dude, I'm not even sure if I can chug a beer still. Haven't chugged a beer since like college, man. It's just a long time ago. Now, never mind. I did chug a beer after college, but it was one of those dick friends that usually you're drinking from a bottle. They come in and they tap it on the top, and then you like starts to foam up. I had to chug that one. But yeah, I don't know, bro. It's brutal now. Chugging a beer or 33,000 Bitcoin. If you're talking about like beer after college, yeah, probably it's gonna be brutal now to chug it. Oh, pull him back down, dude. Chugging a beer in the same. Yeah, I know. There are tricks, man. If you put a straw in the beer, and then you flip the outside part of the straw out, and you start drinking it, you make like this thing where, like, you know, you don't create a vacuum, so it just shoots down quicker than your throat. It's a lot of fun. Andrew got back his money that he's lost on the shore, so yeah, it's cool, bro. It's awesome. Oh, look at that. We're topping again. 33,071. We topped here at, what was the high here? 33,288, right? I have that line slightly lower. It should be slightly higher. I'll correct you where it's up here. So 33,288.22. That's the target. 33,288.32 or something like that. Oh, no, I took it way higher. What did I do wrong here? 288.22. What did I write? Oh, 228. There we go. What the fuck? 33. No, I put it all the way to the all-time high. No, what was the close? 33,090. That's why. 33,090. 0.02. The target. I was like, dude, why did he go so high? I was looking at the closing right over here. The all-time high and stuff there. No matter you were fishing in your glory days. Yeah, I ate a fish once. There was this frat party, and we had to like grab small goldfish. It was like entry fee, I guess. Had to grab small goldfish, shake it in your hand, you know, so you get stunned, and then you like swallowed it. So also that was a while back. That was like probably in 2003, 2004. Man, that's like fuck yeah, that was a long time ago, dude. This may be another pump if we break 33,000.200. Yeah, dude, it could, right? It could be going on a pump. Just because of that, I'm going to grab a beer, guys. I'm tired, so I'll be right back. Just give me one quick second and grab a beer. Be right back. I will. There we go. Back I am. Thank you for sticking around. So I went out and grabbed a cold one. I'm gonna drink beer now. Great stuff. And I'm going to put it in a glass because I want to be refined and not just chug it out of the bottle, right? Because I'm still going to chug it, but... Ooh, now I can, like, you know, raise my little pinky as I drink and feel like all nice. And be like, ooh, 33,000 Bitcoin. Ha 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 ha. I knew it, old chap. 33,222, man. Can we do it? We just changed an hour, dude. We're finally closing a new all-time high. Close, right? What is this level here? What was that level here? 33,288, right? Let me get in the line here. ATH. We're almost there, man. We're almost there. We can do it, man. We have a higher one. 33,309, right? 309. 0.76. We're already higher than that. Fuck that, right? Bitcoin going to 33,400. Ain't that cool? Why does Bitcoin always pump when I want to sleep? Steve, save that one for Andrew's bear market reminders. 3.5. Yeah, there we go, man. It's going, right? It's going. New all-time high. Yo, the name of the stream was not that, but we'll change it to that again, right? Edit. Bitcoin. New ATH. Uh, 35. Let's go. Yeah. 33.15. Small steps, right? Baby steps. Ooh. Cheers. Might actually go to 40K. Yeah? Sus2, we're going to have a drop. Are we going to have a drop? I believe that's a question, right? You're not affirming. Are we going to have a drop? Yeah, question mark. Yeah, not sure right now, dude. We're going higher, right? New all-time high. Still pumping. If it clears this level. Yeah, if it gets to 34K, I do believe we could be looking for higher areas. But look at, see, Steve, what I was talking about? I'm not complaining that it's going higher. I'm excited because it's going higher. I'm complaining because we're not taking any breathers. And it's just like, you know, pump, 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 pump. It's going to come with a massive crash sometime. And I don't like that, man, right? Because it could be a fast crash, right? And I'd much rather see Bitcoin pump slowly, right? And get there nice and slowly. And take some breathers, take some space, right? Like the pump. When we started to pump, I was telling you guys how happy I was with the rest we were making, right? I made a bad trade earlier. I felt so stupid. Well, dude, don't worry. We all made bad trades. It happens to me as well, right? And I've done them here also, and I talked about them. Look, here, right? Remember how I told you guys, look, this is fine for... Oh, this is 1 hour. That's why it looks so shitty. Oh, let's go to the daily. Look what I told you. Look, we're going up. Then we're flagging. We're consolidating this level for so many days. That's nice. Look, we're consolidating this level. So nice. Look, we're up. We're consolidating a little bit on this area, right? Still, the 23, 24 wasn't that big of a consolidation. But there was some consolidation here at 19 to 17, right? And then 24, 23 area. Wasn't that much of consolidation, right? But, you know, after that, we have not really consolidated consistently. It's just like, you know, a day here maybe. And then maybe half a day here. You know, it's really not getting consolidation, man. Turbo 1, 34K Bitcoin. Yeah, maybe, dude. That's what we're looking for. We're going. We don't need to breathe. Yeah, dude, I know. Where we're going, we don't need to breathe. We need to take a breather, though, for reals. Otherwise, it's going to become a mess. We should do an all-nighter. I don't think my wife's going to agree with that. She's probably going to, like, hang me if I thought I'm going to be here all night. I probably need to put some more beer in the fridge, if that's going to be the case. May never be massive. Massive for some time. Supply. It's going down. Exchanges less than 10% left. All being hodled. Dude, Boomer, what? May never be massive. Massive for some time. Supply. For some time, supply is going to go down in exchanges. Less than 10% left. All being hodled by big companies buying it up. Yeah, I know. You want to mostly in alts. And this is on the weekend. Dude, yeah, look. It's fine. I understand what you're saying, right? But if you think about it, if you're holding some Bitcoin and they're still eating up the supply, that's gonna squeeze whatever supplies there left or whatever is still there, and at some point in time, your Bitcoin should be worth more, right? So yeah, in the end, you should probably still hold Bitcoin. CME gaps are irrelevant. Yeah, so right now they are, because we're not going down to close them. Wait until we crash and correct. We might close some. I told you guys there was a massive 550,000 sell order looming. Anderson, Bitcoin has proven that over the last 2 months with some major gaps that we never filled. Yeah, I know. I know. We talked about that, right? Leaving some gaps in the CME chart, and we have them here. One here, right? And then we had another tiny one somewhere over here, right? 9,000. So yeah, we've been just leaving gaps left and right. Not looking too good. Wonder how RSR is doing, though. Just a quick second. RSR was pumping with Bitcoin. It's starting to pump, man. Boomer, it's pumping, Boomer. It's going high, man. It's going high, man. It's reverting. It's trying to go higher. Let's go back to Bitcoin. 33,700. What? What is this madness? I went for a second and now we're a new all-time high. What? Yeah, 33,830. Great stuff, Bitcoin. Pump it to 34K, man. Let's go. Live. Do it. You sold what? Yes, but the price might not correct massively anytime soon. Moving. Yeah, you're going to sell and buy on correction. You sold more already? What? What do you sell? Your Bitcoin? What's same, little Ed? Litecoin? Litecoin's pumping? Yeah, I told you if Bitcoin pumps, Litecoin was going to pump, right? That was the prediction. Is Litecoin going up? Yeah, it's starting to go up, right? It was negative. It's starting to come up slightly. It's fine, man. Look, it's starting to go up. Yay, what to do? We had that hidden divergence, remember? Bitcoin, go higher, man. Turbo, 34K. Yeah, sure, man. I feel like what we do, hit that like that about that sub, dude. Oh, sorry, I just did the wrong thing there. No, just kidding. No, knowing. Yeah, knowing, dude. Knowing. How you doing when you're whining? Knowing. Is that what you're telling me, dude? Dude, chest pumping, dude. But like at 60, sold at 138. Wow. Sorry, man. On the all-time high, almost 33,900. Come on, break it. I order you to break it. I command thee. There we go. 33.9. Great. I'm the Lord Commander of the Bitcoin Night Watch. And I order you to break it. I tell you all, pump it. Pump the Bitcoin, man. Pump it. Pump it, man. And then whenever Boomer sells, I'll tell you what happens. When Boomer sells, this is what we get. He sold. Pump it. Because the Boomer sells and then the price goes up, according to him. I want to see if that happens, so I'm asking him to sell RSR every day that we're live, so I can see if it really pumps once he sells. What's that? To 35K and beyond. Yeah, dude. To infinity and beyond. But let's take it at a time, right? Let's get above 34K. Freaking sell at 30K today. Yeah, no, I bought back in. 35K and beyond. Yeah, I'm afraid to poop because of this market. It's called cell phone, little ad. You can take it to the bathroom. You can watch on YouTube and or have the market open. Soon we'll have 10K swings daily. Yeah, dude, you sold just one. You sold one what? One Bitcoin? Or one coin? There you go. Look, it's pumping. Yeah, I know, dude. Is it still pumping, dude, for reals? Yeah, 29.8. Come on, dude. You can do it, RSR. The little RSR that could, man, is getting above that white line. It's just so close. It's 5% away from my target. Dude, come on. Do it now, dude. Do it now when you can. The Bitcoin at 33,858. What? That's a good indicator. Yeah, Boomer, look, it's like whenever Bitcoin gets to, you lost 100,000 Satoshis earlier. Wow, that sucks. Yeah, it sucks, bro. Andrew, 36K is next fib. Did you do reverse fibs? I think I have some fibs out here, dude. I just haven't like updated. Let's go check them out, dude. Wow, I have a lot of fibs on this chart. First, let's get rid of some shit. Actually, let me open another chart. Here we go, dude. This one's actually stuck below that area, so we'll go here. I'm gonna have to clear this chart from fibs. Unfib yourself. We might use that one. We're definitely gonna get rid of this one here, I guess. Get rid of those fibs, and then get rid of this fibs down here, I guess. Have a lot of fibs upon fibs, right? Let's get rid of all this old stuff here. Get new fibs coming out. Watch out! New fibs coming out. Let's go from high to low, right? And then I'll change that to be whenever we hit a leg good retrace. So we haven't hit any valid retrace. See, every time, like, we don't hit a valid retrace, right? So, you know, we're just still pumping it, right? So if I go here, then, yeah, we have immediate resistance at 34,159, right? And then if I use that to be the 100%, then the next fib is at 40,000, right? That's just insane, dude. Yeah. So where do I want to fib to, man? Maybe the 4 hour might give you a better clue. I'm not sure. Get back on auto, dude. Oh, 34,000. What? 34K is here, man. 34K is here. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going crazy, dude. That's it. It's so cool, right? Oh, dude. Probably Twitter's pumping, right? We're making history tonight, guys. Bitcoin at 34,000 buckaroos, man. Make Detroit great again came in. Dude, yeah. Go Bitcoin. Sure, man. Yabba dabba doo. Doug only can go up now 41%. That's awesome, dude. What's the target for this move? That's a good question. Alvais Ahmed bin Najib. Have not been looking at targets so far for this move. We're going to look at it in a second. And make Detroit great again. I got 400 worth of Bitcoin at 12K from a Bitcoin ATM, and I got wet. I got wet and lost one of the numbers on the private key. Oh, that's so sad. But if you just lost one of the numbers, you can try to crack into it enough times to, like, you know, it's just 10 digits. Or, like, yeah, from 1 to 0, right? Like 0 to 9. So just try it each time, or at least, look, it's 26 letters or 10 digits. You can try to break back into it on your private key. So go for it, man. That $400 at 12K is now worth almost 3 times its value. Slap yourself for losing that. What is the target, dude? What is the target? What is the target? That is a good question. We're trying to gauge that. Let's go on the 1 hour, dude. What chart was I looking at? This one, this one, this one. Here we go. This chart, I guess, will work. Well, first things first, right? We're creating a lot of bearish divergence, right? It don't lock you out if you do it too many times. I'm not sure, dude. I don't think I don't think it can lock you out. You have to be able to crack back into your wallet, right? Go buy a fortune cookie. It usually comes with some digits on the back. Maybe one of those digits will match with your private key, man. Right, alright, before I flip, right, we have bearish divergence that I forgot to mention, right? Look, we're all happy, but look at that. Strong bearish divergence, man. Action to the downside. On the daily, on the far, we don't have it. And on the daily, we definitely don't have it. Just in the 1 hour, right? Yeah, or go with a mind reader or a fortune teller or someone. Be like, dude, have someone put you under hypnosis and be like, sleep. And then remember your private key on the day. Remember what you sold. Write down the last digit. That guy's going to have you under hypnosis. He's probably going to take your keys. Go cash out. Whenever you wake up, you're going to remember. But your account's going to be on zero. Right. Let's figure out where we can go with this move, dude. Where do I want to... Like, the thing is, we don't have a local high for this to be able to work, right? So we're just, like, guesstimating where we could go with that. So, let's go from here and say, oh, no, we're going to go lower, good sir. From here to here. Right, if that is to be the case, or we want to consider these to be 0 here, the next target would be at 38.5K, right? Thank you for streaming. Yeah, no worries, man. I'm glad to be here, man. If you like what we do, hit that like that on that sub, right? I'm always here at night. Do those little things that are gonna come up on the screen. I'll be happy. That's right. XRP was good to you. Yeah, XRP was okay to me also, right? But I'm glad I'm out of it. For reals. But Mo, happy to you, brother. Happy to you, brother. Happy to you, Bob. Thank you for being here, man. What are my thoughts on Ethereum? You sold at 0.65, 0.55, and then the hodl back went to 0.30. Give me 1 second, dude. The hell? Oh. Is this why, dude? Just give me 1 second, guys. Working something out real quick. Yeah, PayPal still give me shit, man. It ain't working. It ain't working, man. Right, so what's all this shit going on right now? It's XRP was a good one. Yeah, dude. What are my thoughts on Ethereum? Yeah, I'll check Ethereum in a second. You saw it 6. Well, you tell me 0.65, 0.55, and 0.30. Please let me know if you're talking about sats, dollars, cents. What are we referring to? Detroit, please. Sustuo. I think we'll see a small dip like earlier. Yes, that would be likely. I'm not sure we're going to get it right now, though. I mean, we do have the bearish divergence, and it's there. It could imply that we're going to get action to the downside, right? Wouldn't be weird if we see Bitcoin start to move down on that. Slightly, at least. Dude, we're almost going to cross here, right? And I was worried about this. When we started the stream, I mentioned that we're about to get across the MACD under the signal line. We're not. We're expanding him again. James, I bought $1,700 worth of Bitcoin. Now it's worth $3,500. Wish I had more. I wish you had more, James. How many chats are there? Over 100? Yeah, probably over 100, Andrew. Still can't complain. Yeah, dude, if you're doing good, if you're doubling your money, you can't complain. I agree with you. Then Ahmed bin Najib, you said something, and I'm trying to gauge where we could go. Now, from 100%, that 786 would be at 30,599. That would be primary target if we drop. Actual primary target would be the 20. The 20 moving average at 32,040. If we break there, we're looking at 30,500. That would be very likely an area where we could try to go and find support, right? We found support here. I'll do this line here, Alt-H, right? Look, that line there at 30,600 would be target also. Do I have it here also? No, but it would be good for me to place it here, Alt-H, because we know we closed there, and then we pumped up, so that's fine. We have a target at 30,675. We have a target at 31,400, which we kind of use as support. And right now, we're really just moving up higher to 33,954. Now, will we manage to pump to 35,000 before this hour's over? I'm not sure. Keto Streams, YTB, 39,999.99. That tension to see if it passes. Yeah, it's going to be weird if we actually stop there at 39,999.99. Dude. Since like 4 hours ago, I'm up like 400% on my trade. Loving this. Dude, yeah, you're using a lot of leverage though, right? You're using like 30% or something. I don't like using leverage. I actually advise against using leverage. Yes, like, it's not financial advice, but for me, I usually don't like using leverage. Someone asked me about leverage. I would say make sure you can trade properly first before you actually try to get onto leverage. 30 times, yeah. Come on, now Bitcoin, close above the 34,000. I ordered you. I've quadrupled my money in the account. That's awesome, bro. That's pretty good. Weren't you doing like a challenge, like 100 to 100,000 or something like that? Keto Streams, YTB. Why the prices appear around $200 more on Robinhood than on the rest of the platforms? I'm not sure. That's a good question. I am not 100% sure why it's higher on Robinhood. Listen, I'm trying to get 100 to 100K by the end of the bull run. That's pretty good, man. If you can do that, that's going to be legit, man. Well, Andrew is at 400, I think. He says he's quadrupled his account. He started with 100. So if he started with 100 and he quadrupled, he should be at 400. Right, so we're getting a little pullback, 33,700, right? That's fine. Someone from another YouTube channel is targeting $1 million from the same challenge, but I think for me that may be too unrealistic. Yeah, it's fine, you know. Litecoin's losing support. Let's go check out Litecoin. Yeah. I mean, Bitcoin's getting a small pullback, but look at the daily, right? It's still positive. The 4 hour, you know, still positive. Then 1 hour, yeah, it's dropping a little bit, but still positive on the hour, right? Does that mean RSR is dropping? Where's RSR at? 29.8. Great Scott. It's pulling back also. Oh my God, everyone's pulling back with Bitcoin. Not that big of a deal, right? Bitcoin's pushing back. Everyone's pushing back with it. Again, like I said, Bitcoin's going to be driving... Bitcoin's in the driver's seat of this bus ride that we're all like on for, right? So Bitcoin keeps pumping. It's going to be good for a lot of projects. Some of them might still do good. Bitcoin starts dropping. We're going to see a lot of blood on the street. Look at the XRP. Even XRP is taking a small pump at 0.38%. Oh no, Binance is dropping. For one of the past few years, better invest, sit in a chair, enjoy a cup of coffee, and earn 10 times more than a guy who breaks his back at work. Work smart, not hard. Yeah, I agree. But that's going to be your cup of coffee either has to be huge and electrically heated for you to be able to, like, you know, sit there for a long time and enjoy a cup of coffee. I'm kidding, dude. I know what you're saying. Keto Streams YTB. Dude, come on, let's go, Bitcoin. I'm also doing good with my Bitcoin, dude. You guys know my entry levels for this. So I've already covered them a while back, right? And not only did I cover them, I have them in writing from way back then, right? So this is one of my ins, right? This was another one of my ins way back here. 7.5K entry, right? Take profit, 8,800. Buy back in, buy back out around this level for a bit. I was trading this level. Last time I bought in, it was at 9.4. So I had to get a lot of profit on these rides, right? And right now, all that money is just sitting there. And it's just been on riding to the upside, so. And these letters and numbers that are here, they've been here since whenever I call these entries, right? So, they've been here for a long time. This one probably somewhere on this area. I think I have to zoom in, man. So, probably like May the 30th or somewhere around that area where I bought back in. I've just been looking and watching and holding, right? Oh, 33,907. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. It's there, man. It's almost there. We're about to get there, man. By the way, if you're watching and you have hit like and sub and the bell, cheers. If you haven't, shame on you. You're going to miss on a lot of information. Wow, a lot of people watching, dude. 19 people. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you all for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like that button, sub. 33,996, man. Almost there, dude. I need to edit the title again because we already hit 34K. So 34K. There we go, man. There we are. Steve S, I think the Ethereum run will start soon. Maybe, dude. It did have some bullish, right, for it to drop against Bitcoin, meaning that it's going to start to gain value against Bitcoin, Ethereum to Bitcoin, right? It was like 800 and some Ethereum per Bitcoin. Yeah, it could turn opposites, and we can start gaining on that. Can I make Ethereum go up to 800? Yeah, I can look at Ethereum to Bitcoin again. Or dollars, you mean? Right, sure. I'll check it out in a second, dude. Guess for me it's coffee. For me it's beer. Yeah. Keto Streams YTB. Where are you from, dude? Where are you watching from? Because if you're drinking coffee, it must be early. Otherwise, you're planning on doing an all-nighter, which would be freaking epic. Steve, they're here to hear my complaint about the new all-time high. Yeah, that's good, man. Look, 34,000. We haven't freaking, like, consolidated, Steve. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean when I said we haven't consolidated. Ding, 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 bell. Yeah, I know, dude, Nitro. It's good, man. 34,017, right? 34,017. There we go. Italian living in the UK. Well, that's freaking cool, man. Haven't been in Italy since 2010 or the UK since 2010. 10 years. Wow, that's a long time, dude. But it's Sunday. You could have beer. It's legit. There could be some, like, football game today, right? It's probably early for you. But it could be a football match. Or you can pretend to be at the beach and, like, you know, be enjoying a nice cold beer with you know, European winter. Or it could be like a stout or some, like, strong beer to, like, you know, to, like, make it, like, heavy in the stomach and nice. Imagine if you were buying some Bitcoin back then. Yeah. I've imagined that plenty of times. Alright. It's snowing here and it's 5 a.m. Wow, snapped. Well, have some, I don't think they have in the UK, but in Germany they have Glühwein, which is like a warm wine with spices. And I also had it in Czech Republic. That was also good. But Glühwein, it should be good, man, right? 5 in the morning, like, alert bells, like, to 34K wake you up. Like you were like, sleigh bell rings, are you listening? In the land, Bitcoin's glistening. Yeah, something like that, right? Mulled wine here. Get shit. Yeah, it's good, man, right? Boiled wine with cinnamon and other 3 spices. Yes, I know, it's good, man. Clove, I can't remember what the other ones are. I love that wine, dude. But that wine is legit. That you can drink that when it's cold and it's good, man. It's not super boiled because then you burn the alcohol, but it's nice, dude. It's like otherwise it just becomes like grape juice, right? Boiled grape juice. Sustuo, as a fellow YouTuber, I really respect your grind and your stream. Every chill and informative hope you blow up. Yeah, thanks, man. Sometimes I'm really dull. Like when I'm tired, I'm really dull. Today I'm tired, but it's just the exception because it's pumping, dude. Why not? 34,149. Right, man. It's just let's say thanks, dude. 34,100. I hate those fixed rates. Yeah. 34,200 almost. That's freaking awesome. We're making history, dude, live here, sitting on this thing we call the internet and YouTube, and you guys watching, and we're doing this awesome stuff, right? Where Bitcoin is still going up, dude. You know, like when there's more chat, I get more energy for reals. Like if there's no one chatting, you could see the stream when there's like no one chatting at the beginning, and it's like super dead, bro. As soon as you guys start engaging with me, it just turns it into a much more interactive thing. So for sure, it is better, man. I wonder how my bags are doing right now. Buff Mo, I'm not sure if you're still with us, but I'm still super grateful for that tip you sent me the other day. Because it was in Bitcoin, and now it's worth more Bitcoin. So I'm super happy, man. When you said it to me, it was like 20-somethings, right? So now it's like super cool. I'm streaming games for a year for 1 to 2 people. I know the feeling. Yeah, dude, I know. Keep on grinding, kiddo. It's how things goes, right? That's what I do. I've been streaming for about a year and 4 months, dude. Nitro, a pump. Sure, a pump. 34,136. Let's see these, dude. Let's see if I can check this out. Oh, Coinbase is giving me a warning for something. Probably saying, like, Bitcoin's going up. Control your risk. What is this shite? Wow, my wallet just keeps on going higher and higher, dude. That's great. I'm happy when I open my wallets and they just all look green and, like, nice. Oh, so cool, man. So cool. I've been on YouTube for about 2 years and I love it. Well, that's pretty cool, man. Yeah, it's fun, dude. It's fun when you're doing this. Do you do static videos or just stream as well? So, Stu, let me know. And then Keto Streams. What am I still watching on? Here on Crypto Watch, the value's a bit different than yours. I'm watching on Gemini, Bitcoin to the dollar on Gemini, and I'm on TradingView. So, yeah. I could have some delay. You know, data's sometimes off. I know that from doing day trading. Sometimes the stocks are moving a little bit, and then it takes a while for them to reflect here on the minute chart, so... You make videos on some live streams. Yeah, but about what, man? Like life in general and the meaning of existence. Dude. Yeah, dude. It's crazy. Even Steve's up, dude. It's super late for Steve, and he's still up. Because, you know, Bitcoin's pumping, dude, and he's probably, like, you know, hyped. Videos. You post anime content? Oh, dude, that's legit. Send me your channel. Go to our Discord and, like, post your channel. I would love to see that. Is it in English or are you putting in like some other language? Because that would be interesting to see. I'll be willing to watch that. I started to watch the new Netflix series, Alice in Borderland. It looks pretty legit. I know that came from a manga from 2012 or so. Yeah, somewhere around that time. 2012, 2015. It was on the Sunday Shonen Jump. But it looks legit so far. It looks good. I just seen the first episode. Little Ed, what a time to be alive. Yeah, it's a wild time to be alive, bro. It is nice at 34,000. We like anime. Yeah, I like anime. I think the last good series I watched was Attack on Titan, and I only saw the first season. The second one, I started watching it, and I just got kind of turned off. I used to be a big anime fan when I was in university. I was actually president of the university anime club, and I closed deals with who was the distributor, man? I closed deals with a distributor. I can't remember who it was. And they used to send me freebies, right? Like for the newsletters for the people at the university, and some free DVDs with, like, you know, promo episodes for a series so we could watch and review and stuff like that. So it was pretty good. You know, BTS is all-time high right now. But I have a feeling it's still a good time to invest. Well, I haven't seen BTS, dude. Let's check it. Not this BTS, right? What's BTS doing? Dude, it took a massive pullback. Why? Hello. Nothing bearish. Right, so let's see. Low. What is this, dude? 448, 36. So still less negative. Low, high, low, lower, and then low. Could we go with this one? I doubt it. 43. I'm not gonna call anything here on the daily. I'm gonna go to the 4-hour dude for this one. Oh, you mean Bitcoin? All right. Sorry, but I thought you meant like BTS or something like that. We have been at 34K for a couple of minutes now. Yes, I agree. It's a good area to be at, right? It's stabilizing around that area. It's fine. Again, we have that bearish divergence. This is the main chart that we usually look at, and I didn't trace it here, so I'll just trace it here for argument's sake. That means that whenever we look at this, we know it's charted and it's there forever and ever and for all eternity. To shame us if we're wrong and to glorify us if we're right. And that's like everything that stays here. I'm kidding. Nothing stays here forever, because at some point in time, like, I started getting these nagging warnings from TradingView telling me that I have a lot of data. I have to stop. I have to start deleting a lot of stuff. But we are fairly accurate in the calls on this channel, so I'm happy about that. Again, thank you all for being here. I'm not sure how many people. We still have a lot of people watching live. Thank you all for being here. You guys are amazing. If you like what we do, hit that like button on that sub. Jack! Yo! What's up, Jack? How's it going, man? I'm gonna have to get another beer, man. I'm almost out. I wonder if there's... I think there's another one in the fridge still. If not, I know I have hard seltzer, and I have ice, and I have whiskey, so... it could turn into a whiskey stream. That'll be good. Kilo streams. I got 2 days ago 8,000 XLM. And I have something big going on with the World Banks. Highly recommend you check that out. Right, dude. XLM. Usually, like, I don't diss on projects. I don't diss on projects at all. But XLM, I usually just call poor man's XRP. They're trying to do the exact same thing. They just don't have as many partners on. It's usually a lot cheaper than XRP. That's why I just call it poor man's XRP. But, you know, I do hold some XLM. I'll check out what they're doing with the World Banks. I'm not sure what they're going to try to do, but it could be interesting. XLM will outperform XRP, in my opinion, this bull run. Yeah, XRP is... I was taken out from Coinbase. It's not taken out from Coinbase. It didn't get delisted. It just got suspended, right? You cannot trade it. XLM will bury XRP. I'm very confident in that. And ATH is a lot safer than XRP. Probably, dude. Let's go check out how XLM is doing right now. We haven't seen XLM. And everything besides, you know, Bitcoin. Oh, no, it's breaking the 34,000. Why? Bitcoin, why? We said XLM, right? think this is one we should look at. Right on Bitfinex at 12.61 cents. Still cheaper than XRP, right? Looks like we want to find support somewhere. Let's go to the daily. 786, right? After rejecting the 618. So about flatlining here. Negative, less, negative. Yeah, we could say we're doing some kind of bullish divergence, right? If this goes, right now we could say we're going sideways, but if this goes slightly lower, we'd definitely be making some strong bullish divergence. We just have type 2 right now, or medium bullish divergence for action to the upside potentially. 38.04 and 39. Right, we also have it against the RSI, right? But very, very slightly. Against the RSI, we're probably going to undo it. Potential action to the upside, that's support, that's fine. Now, low, lower, right. There was some strong bullish divergence here in the 4 hour, right? Negative, less, negative, right? Low on there, so the hard point, right? So some strong bullish divergence for action to the upside. Taking that small pump. Now, also, we're starting to come lower. Not quite low as we were here. But if we start making negative momentum when we go slightly lower, we could definitely go maybe here. And go negative, less, negative, right? And then low to high as well, right? Something like that. It could work to recreate some strong bullish divergence for XLM, right? And then try to pump there, right? Anyways, that's going to be it for this. I'm going to get rid of this. We already know we talked about it. It's not there yet. Andrew saying new USD. Sure, bro. We'll check out new. We haven't done new today. Q streams. I mean, I got 8,000 really cheap, or it'd be carrying my wallet for 6 months, up to 1 to 2 years. Now they get that 94 Supra. Damn. Dude, Jake also wants a Supra. There's a guy who comes here. His name is Bitcoin Jake 09, and he's also wanting a Supra. So yeah, that should be a cool thing to get. I forgot to anchor this in the 4 hour or the daily, sorry. Right on. There we go, man. Low, lower, negative, less, negative, low, lower, negative, more, negative. Let me zoom in here. Alright, I'll go with whatever we have here in the shorter term, though. Low, lower. And then, negative, less negative, and then, low, high, right? So, strong bullish divergence. To that small pop. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, there's other half line. Short term, though, bearish divergence. Oh no. Why bearish divergence? Why must you be here? To impart annoyance upon all of us who want to be bullish. Motherfucker. 6507. So we don't have it against RSI, right? Strong bearish divergence against MACD. Moving down on that. Yeah, and look at this. Boom, boom, right? Negative, less negative, right? Low, lower on there. So we don't have anything against the RSI. Just against the MACD. Actually, the upside, right? And we just tomb profits. Starting to move up slightly. So, strong bullish, potential action to the upside. 20 would be a target. 20 being at 12.85 cents or so. 12.85, yeah. Right now, sitting at 12.61 cents for XLM. Again, a lot of people were telling me, dude, you should get into XLM when it was way up here, right? 21, 23. It's like, it's going to go to the moon. And I was like, no. And I'm glad it didn't. I already was into XLM. I got for free. But, you know, that's it. That's it for XLM. Let's go check out, what was it? New. Oh, yes, I removed it. I didn't want to do that. At least what we had, it didn't get deleted, so that's fine. On the daily, I don't think we had anything. Oh, I want to move that. There we go. Alright, so new above that 786 still, right? Low, lower. We don't have a lot of data here. Low, lower also. Let's go to the 4 hour. This one's going to be better. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low in there, I said lower point. Nothing bullish right now. Sold at 35.37. Last thing we had was here bullishness, right? We did take a pop, rejected a 20, right? Tried to rally again, and then we started rock. Did we create something bearish? Yeah, we did. Hello. Negative, more negative. Low there, so a hard point, dude. There we go, right? So bearish divergence hidden, moving down on that. Haven't created anything bullish yet, unfortunately. So we'll see how this keeps on rolling, right? Let's go check out the 1 hour chart for new. What is new doing on the 1 hour, dude? High, higher, positive, positive, high, higher, right? So nothing here. No. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower, right? So here we have some strong bullish. We took that pop, hit the 20, but we rejected it hardcore. We said, like, no way, man. What do you say? Like, there you go, man. Like, it was going up for a slam dunk, and he got blocked right at that 20. It's like, boom, no way, not in my house. And then he got really sent it down. Look at that massive spike to the downside. He hit 15.6 cents. He did take a bounce from there, though. Low, look, 15.6 on the dot. Looks like we want to take a bounce, and you know what? We're still doing that bullish divergence, right? Look at that. From here, we play to the upside. But now we can just go here, and then we go here, and then we just track on to there and say, like, look, it's still there. It's bullish. It can still go up to a 20. Right, that would be the target right now for this. On new, now on that note, let's go check out the Bitcoin, because it's at 33,925. Come on, Bitcoin. If this candle manages to close above 34K, I do believe we could still go full-on bullish, hard-on to the moon, you know, whatever. We still have 12 minutes to go. That's going to be it. After this candle is done, I'm going to be calling a stream. It's going to be a lot of fun being here, but there's stuff I still have to do. So anyways, I'd love to retest 33K. Dude, no, yes, I agree. 33K retest would be fine, Andrew. But it'd be better if we close above 34K, go back, retest for support, and then bounce. Because rejecting 34K, it would be as if, like, we're going to face it as a resistance later on again, right? So at least getting above it once. It'll still be a psychological resistance, but it'll be much better. And much easier. Capsa North. Could you check out Algo? Sure, bro. We haven't done Algo. I can check it out. Boomer, I confess. I bought some dog. Yeah, dude. Did you bought doggy when, dude? Yeah, I'll check out Algo Cam. Just let me see what doggy's doing, because it was taking a massive pump yesterday. So, gosh, $2. It's pumping 12% right now. 14%, right? It's not going insanely high. It's just pumping still more, so it's still okay. I have 15% in 10 minutes. Yeah, dude, I'm noticing that in the 1 hour. Am I selling? Are you asking me if I'm selling? No, I'm not selling right now. That's because Musk joked about being doggy CEO just a few minutes ago. No, thank you. No, thank you. Yeah. So he doesn't know 150 today. That'd be wild if he did that. Right. So we're gonna do Algo. We haven't done Algo today. So let's go to Algorand. Right on. Let's go do Algo, dude. Daily. What's it doing? Ah, it's rejecting. It's rejecting the 3082. Right there, 382. At where is it at? 44.11. Right now, sitting at 42.24. Also going higher. Nothing bearish, right? High, higher, positive, more positive, high on the other side to a higher point. Last thing we had was strong bullish divergence back here on December the 24th. And we probably looked at this. I can't remember when, but look at that. It's massively going to the upside. Got above the 20, came down, hit that 20 right on support, and took that massive pop to the upside, breaking above that 236, which is fine. Bought at 68.65. Now everything's going higher. Everything's fine with this. Let's go to the 4 hour. It's a shot coin. Bitcoin used to be 2. Yeah, it is true. Higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to a higher point. Even here, short term, higher, higher, and higher. Everything's good. Move down, hit that 20, found support, taking a bounce. That's great. Low, high, negative. Last negative. So nothing bullish here. Last thing we had was this bearishness. Move this down slightly. So let's go to the 1 hour chart and see what we get there. On the 1 hour. Low, high, right, it's hidden bullish. Low to high. Here, this is the 1 hour chart. There we go. Hello. And then high to low, or negative, more negative, right? So we have the hidden bullish, taking that pop, hit the 20, rejecting, getting another run at the pop, the 20. But really, looks like we're not super sure if we're going to get above there because we're not getting over with a lot of strength. But if we manage to get above the 20, we're going to test it as support and see if we can take another pop. If we can't, very likely going to be moving, looking for moving down, right? Which could create some strong bullish divergence. It wouldn't be weird. For us to come slightly lower and then have less negative momentum and then take a pop on that, right? Now, higher, right? Look at this strong bearish divergence. What? Yes, it's there. I've seen it with my eyes. Now you cannot unsee it. Strong bearish divergence. Action to the downside. Move down. Hidden bullish, taking a pop, failed to go higher in the previous high, thus continuing on the bearishness, moving down slightly. Trying to really get above that 20, but really not sure right now. Again, it could go down slightly more. Things could happen, right? We're losing that negative momentum, which is fine. Get across to that MACD over that signal line, right? That could get us some positive momentum, try to go higher on that. And then this hidden bullish can still come into play. We're still on a bullish market, so, you know, it can do that. Link, did we ever do that? No, we haven't. Thank you for asking, Andrew. We'll do Link. I'm down for a Link. Sure, man. That's awesome. We've done a lot of coins today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What? I think it's the most coins we've ever done on request. Hint of thing that I was foolishly going to go into sleep earlier. Now that everything is pumping, I can't. Link. Let's go check out the Link. The Linkinator. What's the Link doing, dude? Well, the Link, it looks like it's holding support at that 11.60 and trying to go higher. Rejecting the 20 right now. That's fine. Heading for that 382 to 50%, right? That's where we're floating within, right? This range. That's fine. Again, look at that. Went up, hit that 20, rejecting. Oh, no. We had the bullish divergence. Took that small pop, rejected. That's fine. Nothing new happening. Well, let's go to the 4 hour chart. Don't you talk bad about Doge. He's a perfect coin. Yeah, I love how the founders on the description, crypto made as a joke. Yeah. Right, so last thing we had here, or at least on 4 hour, was this bearishness that moved us down. Right, you had 236, took that pump above that 382 here, that's a 50% line. Here we have different fibs, right? But still look above that 11.60, right? Which is good. And the stuff that we talked about before, being above that area, right? Right on. So we're still above that 11.60, which is fine. Again, rejecting that 50% was like, I think it was a move that we were talking about the other day, right? Low, we came lower. I knew we had some bullish divergence. Right at the 4 hour chart. Oh, there's that bullishness here. We don't have it against RSI. Or at least I'm not going to hunt for it right now. Looks like we might have it against RSI. I'll just go from in here. So, yeah, bullishness. Pumping to the upside. Again, hitting that resistance once, twice. Might try to get another crack at it. After that, we came down, bounced at that support again, that 11.60, even the 20. Taking that pop. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, higher. Right, look at this. High, higher. And then we're coming in lower, right? Positive, less positive. Behind RSI, 2 lower point, bearish divergence. Strong action to the downside, move down, hit that 20, found support, pumping. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, there, to a higher point, nothing bullish right now. Bearish divergence is the last thing we have in play. Now, that's it. That's it for this, dude. That's it for this in the short term. We created some hidden bullish from here to here. Right, and from here to here. We don't have it against RSI, I think. Let's see. 41.62, 41.32, slightly less. Yes, we do have it. Hidden bullish also here. Right, taking that pump. Very nice. For a link. Let's go back to Bitcoin, dude. 33,900. Not good. 5 minutes to go. Pump it, guys. Come on. You can get it to 34K again. Andrew, I was saying a retest of 33K would be very nice. But if we close above 34K. because then we have like a target to revisit to the upside, right? If we don't close there, it's going to become another resistance, right? It's going to be the next target to break again. And we already know that we have some support here at, or we might have some support at here at 33.90, right? So that would be a good support. You got a sell signal on a 3-minute chart. Yeah, I think you're looking, yeah, that could be fine, but you know, a 3-minute chart could be a small play to the downside, then another play to the upside, right? Just a quick switch, right? So we're looking at band here. Let me go to Bitcoin. All right, so the daily again, super bullish, right? Or the 4 hour super bullish. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right, look at the 4 hour, right? It would give me a sell signal here because of this drop at 2, right? And then buy back in, which is what I did. I sold and then I bought back on this way up, but I didn't like right now. It's giving me the buy again on this candle on the 1 hour. But you said the 3-minute chart. Let's go check it out. Using super trend, I'm still in, right? It's not telling me to sell yet. Which again, your indicator might be ahead. Here I would have gotten the downtrend, right, on Fisher. Look at that, right? We're getting that cross into Fisher and starting to lose that price. So you can still lose a little bit more, right? We could still come to like -2, -4, right? Like over here, right? -3.9 on a move down, right? Which wouldn't have to be like necessarily a strong move down. It could be just like this is not a strong move down, and we're definitely moving down. But it could be a move down nonetheless, and then take another pop. But I'm not getting any sell signal right now on my indicators, so I'm fine. On Bitcoin. That's fine. Oh, 33,898. Come on. 3 minutes. You can do it. Magical 34,000, right? Beer is done. We got that magical, mythical Bitcoin pump of awesomeness to new all-time highs. And it's been a great ride. And I don't think we're going to pump back above 34K before the candle closes. Looks like, you know, people are like, you know, battling for the 33,800 areas right now. And, yeah, it's okay. Hurricane T, when crazy alt season? I don't know. That's a good question. When crazy alt season? We don't know. Bitcoin needs to stagnate or lose more dominance for that to happen. I can chill for another hour. Come on. Yeah, I need to run it by the wife. Look, we're pushing back down, dude. We're not gonna get above that area. Like we're lucky if we're gonna close above 33,500. Because we're getting a lot of pushback right now. Still have a minute and 37. A lot of things can happen, right? Key to streams YTB. If it hits 34K again, I'll sell. I'll buy again in the summer for 8K, 1 Bitcoin. Yeah. If you remember what I looked at earlier as an exercise, comparing it to the 2017 bull run, if we're about to do a 400% pump from when we were at, we're looking for Bitcoin to hit 57,000, right? Sorry guys, I'm watching the price. We have a couple seconds to go. So if we get above that, and we managed to go a 400 and plus percent pump, we're looking at the 50,000s to 58,000, right? 57,700 and change. So I'm not giving up on this yet. At least not in a hit of 34,000 again. 33,670, dude. $8K in your dreams. You gotta open a channel for y'all after the show. I'm online to 5 a.m. Right, Boomer's gonna be here, dude. Holy cow, 18 viewers, 17 likes. That's awesome, right? Who do you like? I'm not sure. To me, it says 18 viewers, 16 likes. So, yeah, I haven't hit the like. Look at that, right? We closed below 34K, dude. I told you guys, it was gonna be a hard push. Now we're still gonna drop more. Now we could be looking for a revisit of that 33K area, right? Look, like I said, right, we're fighting for this area right now. That's what I was looking at. ATH. Let's do hit that like that button. So be right back, guys. Yo, guys, what is up? I'm back. Andrew, what? 18 now? 18 now, what? 18 likes, awesome. You asking the wife? No, I'm not asking the wife, dude. She asked me to open a wine for her. So, I open a wine, I grab another beer. Here we go, man. I was looking, actually, also, I lost some time because I was looking for the other bottle wine that I had. Which I don't know where I placed, actually. And that's weird, because I thought I already opened a bottle for her, but I thought I had another wine bottle. Apparently I don't, so that's just weird. Like I'm missing a wine bottle somehow. Awkward. We have no recollection of drinking that one. But I am back, and thank you all for sticking around. 19 people, 17 likes. Awesomeness. Yo, what do you guys want to look at, dude? Bitcoin, 33,900. Are we going to go to 34K again? Yes, we are. Very likely. Financial advice while drunk. Awesome. I'm not giving financial advice, Jay Alvarez. It is not financial advice. It's all for entertainment and education purposes only. Kids, behave. Right on, Steve. I agree with you. Behave. I just want to see how much foam I can get coming out the top without it actually spilling. I got a good amount of foam coming out of the top. Not a lot, but, you know, still over the rim. It's legit. It's a legit pour. Round 2. Fight! Lol, but you are drunk. No, I'm not drunk, dude. This is my second beer, man. I'm always like this. Most of the time. Sometimes I'm like this. Sometimes I'm a little bit more relaxed. Cheers, man. Yeah, it's my second drink, dude. I'm not drunk. You haven't seen me drunk. I don't think anyone here has seen me drunk. Green bullish candle is engulfing the red candle. Very bullish. What time frame are you looking at? Enjoy your beer, bro. Thanks, Kilo Streams. Andrew, what candle are you looking at? 3 minute again? Yes, it's a massive green candle. Well, new one red coming out, right? But yo, dude, it's good, right? Let's go to the 1 hour still. 33K, dude. 33,999. 98. 5 minute. JK, you the man. Thanks, bro. I the man, you the man, we the man. Who the man? Yeah, the man, dude. Still, yeah, it's still coming green, right? It's a nice candle. So we got 2 minutes and 23 seconds to go. 2 minute candles are meh. Yeah. 25, let's go! Rage! Yeah, dude. Yeah, we're probably gonna get there eventually. Not sure if this candle is gonna get us there. Wouldn't it be weird if we like all get up and like wake up to a $36,000 or $38,000 Bitcoin? It's like, oh, I get up in the morning. What happened, dude? Like Bitcoin's at 30,000, 38,000. You know, oh whatever, man. And then Steve will probably like be coming out saying, dude, it's a new all-time high, and I'll be like, dude, yeah, we know. We're getting all-time highs every day. Boomer, come on, Ethereum, 790 finally. 15 minutes, same thing. Same thing, I think, right? Yeah. Let's go Ethereum, 792. Yes, it's on its way to the 800. And where's resistance? We know we have psychological one at 800, but we have another one at 813. That would be a good target. Hurricane T, 34K again. Yeah? Q streams, fuck that, bro. I want to wake up to Bitcoin to be 1 million. That's not going to happen in short time. Like, let's do realistic goals, bro. Crypto Boomer, I would like to wake up to a $10,000 Bitcoin. Boomer, you're a party pooper, man. That wouldn't be good, man. That wouldn't be good at all. If you guys like what we do, hit that like, that bell, that sub. So I could buy, just screw all this trading and just straight up buy 10. Yeah. And then ride it all the way up to 30K again. Right on, dude. Let's... ATH before March. Reasonable? Doubt it. I would say, look, baby steps, right? Someone placed a quote today on Twitter that is something that I really relate to. It was something like 10K, no, was it like 0 to 100? And then it said like, no, first concentrate on 0 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, so on, right? So what I would tell you is the same thing. Like 80K, first let's get about 40K, 35K, then let's get about 40K, then let's get about 50K, 58, right? And then let's start targeting things to the upside still. But, you know, 80K before March, reasonable. I'm not sure, dude, right? A lot of things can happen. We don't know what's going to happen with COVID, vaccination, coming out trials. You know, a lot of stuff could go wrong for economy worldwide or things that happen. Andrew's going to go to sleep. Dude, Andrew, you make me open up new beer and you're going to leave me here hanging? Shame on you, bro. Hurricane T, I asked earlier. I think you missed that. If Bitcoin loses dominance, do you think also will go down with it too? And also may pump while Bitcoin dominance is down, similar to 2017 bull run. Yeah, I missed that, dude. Yeah, I forgot to answer, but we'll look at that. Right, look at this, right? This is Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin dominance. There we go. Right, this is 2017 over here, right? July, right? Look, December, right? So, Bitcoin lost dominance and I'll pump, right? So that's fine. Yeah, I look, right now Bitcoin's at 73.29. I do believe it needs to start losing dominance for alts to start pumping. Right? That does not necessarily mean Bitcoin needs to lose value. It just needs to lose dominance, meaning that money starts flowing into other cryptos and not just Bitcoin. That would be good for the cryptosphere. Ethereum almost 800. Sorry guys, there's a lot of shit going on tonight with crypto. 794. Why is Pfizer not increasing its value? I mean, it should be the man. I don't think they give out vaccine for free. Yeah, I'm not sure, dude. What I can tell you, though, is whatever they give out on a blue pill, it's helping Ethereum get this nice green dildo coming up, right? There we go. Look at that nice green candle building up there, man. Right? It's going to smack someone in the face at 800. I like that, dude, because, you know, I sold an NFT, I told you guys, right? Or a couple of NFTs. And then they became free Ethereums. If y'all know about my NFT adventures, here's a story. I sold three of this one, right, a while back when it was very, very cheap. To someone that bought this at 0.052 Ethereums. And back then, all three of them were worth like $50. And then I sold like $10 of that, or $10 equivalency, so I could mint other stuff that didn't sell. When we look at this, look at that, right? 99.10. So my $50 or whatever was left, $40, has now become almost $100. So I've doubled my money by selling 2 NFTs. Isn't that cool? Steve, okay, man, I'm out. Have a good one. Yeah, have a good one, Steve, dude. Got money on Trump not leaving the house. I got no comments on that, dude. I don't know what's gonna happen, dude. I haven't been following the news. I haven't been looking at the news for the last 2 or 3 months. Just sick and tired of like COVID this, White House that, Trump said this, Biden's doing that, blah blah blah. You know, whatever, dude. At some point in time, it just gets tiring to be looking at the news all the time. So for me, it's been no news for the last couple months. For reals, I just like every now and then, unless I hear something like really weird's happening, I'll check something out. But have not been doing the news consistently lately. Oh, 50 people watching. Trump wins 2020. China gets cut off. Chinese citizens are investing into Bitcoin, aka gold. Yeah. Or US is consuming massive amounts of crypto. Well, we'll see how this is going to roll out, dude. Again, you know, it's going to depend on what stance they're going to take on crypto. It's still not fully decided, right? $7.95, come on, let's get to an $800 Ethereum. Ain't that cool, man? Political market, you can't deny it. Yeah, it's a political market, dude. Everything's a theater. Everything's theater, right? Everything's for show, man. 33,811. Oh no, Bitcoin pulled back a little bit. I think we're gonna start fighting for this area. It might be, you know, the 38. You know, it could be a little bit of stagnancy happening here. Remember, we have this bearish divergence, right? Let's wait for it to do something. Maybe we start building more positive rents. I'm not sure, dude. Let's go to here though, because that's where we had it officially too, and then this is still building. Litecoin running. Kevin Moses, donations would be really appreciated. What do you mean, Kevin? You want to donate or something? I don't know what you want to do. Or donations to what? Thanks. unsure what you're asking for, bro. There's links to donations in the description. So yeah, I'm not sure. What is this? Nobody's talking about it though. Litecoin running, yeah. And then someone said, yeah, but this stupid Boris Johnson is the biggest muppet of all. Yeah, I agree with you. He's a muppet. Ah, Kevin, I see what you're doing. Why are you asking for donations, bro? That's not cool. Transfer shout out. What? Transfer shout out, bro. What? That's it, dude. Some dude came in here asking for donations and then dude, why he wanted to, like, you know, get... That's weird, man. Anyways, for some reason he came in here asking for, like, and putting, like, an address. I'm not sure, dude. That's weird. Any generation beggar or whatever. I think he meant for a shout out. Yeah. Oh, Soka, you're still here? Damn, son. Hurricane T. You think some alts will hit their all-time high again? For example, ADA and Litecoin. Yeah. I think. I think some alts could try to go for all-time highs again. It's gonna take some strength, though, right? Look, the closest one, I think, it's Ethereum, right? It's halfway there. 798, man. What is this madness? We're almost there, dude. We're almost. You can do it, Ethereum. Come on, hit the 800. Look at Ethereum on the daily, right? All-time high over here at 1,400. We're halfway there, right? Climbing slightly over halfway there. But it's going to take a lot of strength and a lot of projects to get up there, man. And Bitcoin's going to need to stop pumping, dude. For them to get there, right? Come on, you can do it. It's almost there. It's so close. You can feel it, man, right? It's like at 799.21. It's almost there, man. Some other exchanges, 799.80. 799.93, dude. This exchange, 800. We hit 800, dude. There we go. 800 Ethereum. This one pulled back a little bit after hitting 800. You'll see it up here, right? 800. That is legit, dude. Boomer, we're already at 800. You're behind like a dollar, bro. 2020 was wild. Yeah. Boomer, what is the quickest way to clear trading rechargeable my lines? Yeah, you go here, right click, and then you say, what is it, dude? Remove drawings. And they'll remove everything that you draw in the chart. I'm not going to do that. I want to remove my charts. So they're fine. But that's the way we will do it. Okay, Ethereum is spiking Litecoin. Yeah. Litecoin's underperforming, dude. I mean, it's pumping with Bitcoin, but it's underperforming overall, right? Look, it's at 140.93. But its all-time high was way up here, right, at 418. So it's about a quarter of the way there. That's slightly more than a quarter of the way there. So when you look at this, Ethereum would be the best candidate to actually reach its target, right? But for that, Bitcoin would need to stop pumping. So that'll be great. It'll be cool, right? 799. Is Bitcoin moving up again? 33,940. Nope. What is RSR doing? Boomer, get out of RSR so you can pump more. It's at 3.0 cents. Oh, what? It already wicked today? It already wicked this level? Why weren't we watching, dude? It just wicked it on this candle. FML, dude. Damn it, Boomer, get out of RSR so we can pump. Just sell another one. Do something. Dude. Little Ed, but when does it pump without Bitcoin dumping? Dude, yeah, Bitcoin can stagnate, right? Bitcoin can consolidate. Move sideways for a little bit, and it will give some alts room to breathe, room to, like, move, right? Bitcoin pumping has all eyes on Bitcoin and none on alts. Except for Doggy, who started pumping like crazy, man, right? Doggy coin was going insane. Doge, whatever you want to call it. 16% up on Doge. Doge, yeah, whatever you want to call this project. What are we at in the daily? Still going higher, right? Look at that, beautiful. Doge, still pumping. Wicked what? Where? Sell RSR, dude. It just week 31 and change, my target. But I wasn't looking. So I just wicked this area, 3.12. So whatever. Yeah, but Litecoin follows Bitcoin. Yeah. You're bullish? I think a lot of people are bullish, dude. Right on, dudes. I think we've been live for 2 hours and 50 minutes. I'm going to be here for the next 10 minutes. Watching the market. After that, I'll probably be calling it a stream. Have a nice board with cheese and cold cuts of meat. And a wife that's drinking wine by herself, so that's not cool. So I'm going to have to go and drink wine and eat cheese and cold cuts of meat, right? So I think I'm gonna have to sign off. I'm not gonna wait for the 3 hour mark, guys. Bitcoin's not moving. I already hit 34K. Let's see if we can hit 35K by the morning. I'm not sure what China's gonna do. It's gonna be Sunday. It might be, Boomer saying, "Come on, have another beer." I still have beer here, man. But I'd rather have cheese. I haven't had dinner, man. Only way I would stay was if we got dinner so overrated. Yeah, I know. Only way I would stay if we had another Alex come in and tip the crap out of the stream. I would probably be going insane, but too late to eat? No, dude, it's not too late to eat. It's like midnight. It's perfect time to eat dinner. That's what we're gonna snack on: cheese and meat. That's it, dude. FOMO is real. Yeah, I know. FOMO is real, dude. We don't FOMO in this channel though, right? Because we buy in properly, we get out properly. Except on RSR. Look, RSR I took a massive beating on. And if you don't know the story, because you guys are new, but if you know the story when I bought into RSR, I even talked about how it felt like I was chasing the price and I couldn't get in on Binance, because every time I wanted to buy here, it kept on rising, and I ended up buying on this freaking green wick here. Right at 3.12. And then I didn't exit on my strategy that was exiting here at 2.81. And I rode it all the way down here for a massive 70% drop on my value. And then I rode it all the way up here. And now I'm finally able to recover today to 100%. And I haven't exited yet because I do believe it's still going to pump. But, I took a massive beating here. And I talk about my glories and my defeats as well, right? Boomer, I FOMO'd on Dodge. Up 2K already. That's awesome, Boomer. Little Ed, bulking season. Yeah, I didn't FOMO out, I didn't FOMO in, right? I don't FOMO into positions and out of positions. I trade, so I do try to keep a strategy and a plan that I'm going to follow, right? Nitro, unfortunately I'm here because I am a FOMO. Don't worry about that, man. You'll get over it. That's fine. I'm scaling out. It was for fun. Yeah, that's fun, dude. It's fun that you got a 2K hit on your what was it? Doge, right? And look at Ethereum, dude. It just hit 800 and rejected, right? It's a psychological resistance. We talked about it earlier, right? I said psychological. So we get above that area, we have 818 to look forward to. I do believe we're going to face 813, actually. I do believe we're going to face a lot stronger resistance there. Bitcoin 33,800, right? I mean, we're struggling for this area, right? If we get above 34K, could be on target to 35K maybe by the morning. But if not, I mean, a revisit of 33K, like Andrew said, wouldn't be out of the question, or it wouldn't be weird, right? Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. I want to sign off. Like I said, dude, Boomer, if you became an Alex and all of a sudden like spread good cheer across the channel, I would be like super happy, dude. But dude, no way I'm gonna stay longer right now. Little lad, I'm gonna buy in at Litecoin right now. Waking up to profit thoughts. Jan, it's some beer. Yeah, I'm eating beer already, Jan. Look, little lad, real quick, just before I sign off. And the wife. Dude, you should have a strategy. You just don't buy, like, it's not like spray and pray, right? You don't, like, go to sleep thinking that you're going to wake up to a huge profit, right? So, have a strategy, have a plan. I'm not sure what your risk tolerance is, what your level is, or how much you're going to put into this. You're going to put $1, you're probably not going to care how much it goes up, dude, right? So, in the end, it's up to you, but, you know, right now I'll say just be careful. It's starting to create bearish divergence. We didn't have in the last candle. Coming higher. Again, this is starting to develop. This is a new positive momentum island, right? So high to low, then high to low on the RSI, right? And then we have that strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside, or at least stalling to happen around this level. Could we go on building? Yeah, we have this negative momentum here. This is the first candle. Sometimes we get tiny islands like this one here that are almost nothingness. Maybe show when an island starts to build, particularly the market is bullish. We could be looking for a little bit more build up to happen. That could mean price could still go slightly higher. Anyways, just testing its recent high, June 2019 high at 146. Yeah, I agree with you. I seen that earlier, but it's not there yet. And that's what this line is here, right? The 100% here. 146, and I'll zoom out just so you can see that. Already have that mapped in, right? That high there is this line here, 146. So it's trying to retrace to that area. And yes, you are correct. It is June 2019. Anyways. Q-Stream. While you sleep, guys, get the nice hash. You will mine Bitcoin on your PC. Made 24 euros last night. That's cool, man. I don't like to leave my PC on. I'll try to see if I can find something else to mine with. Guys, that's gonna be it for tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Again, if you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub. Again, this is Tether Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Saturday night. Seeing history happening and unfold in front of our eyes. Ethereum back at 800, Bitcoin at 34K. Again, when am I live next? Tomorrow at around 9 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. Eastern. It's usually the time that I come live. Hope you found the content to be educational and entertaining. If you did, hit that like button, that sub. Keto Streams, I know you're from UK, dude, so for you it's gonna be like a lot earlier. So I usually come in like 3 hours from like before right now. So if it's 5 or 6 in the morning for you, it's gonna be like 3 in the morning. But you can always catch the replay, and if you're live, I'll be glad to have you here. Little Ed, I hope you get more than 4 hours of sleep. Yeah, dude. Hopefully the kids are gonna like not wake us up in the night. I'm not sure if I should drink the wine or give it to them right now. I mean, they're asleep, but wake them up, give them the wine, that they'll be passed out throughout the night. Just kidding. JK, take care, dude. Yeah, dude, let's keep on chatting on the Discord, guys. If you want, you can join us in the Discord. Links in the description. Or anything, you know, in the bull run when Justin's son starts announcing an announcement. Yeah, it's like the message or the meeting to plan a meeting, right? Anyways, guys, Boomer's gonna go play with his dog coin and his 1-inch thing. Keto, yeah, sleep during the daytime. Crypto usually goes up at night. Yeah, eat a piece of cheese. Yeah, dude, guys, it's gonna be it for tonight. Again, thank you for watching. Again, if you like what we do, you know what to do. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your coworkers, and to your family members. Let them know that we are here. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell. I know you did, because you're awesome supporters of this channel. On that note, I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto.